Okay, and we have already informed your teachers, Okay, so get prepared with chart and colors. It's going to be start soon. Now, science exhibition also will be start. I request all the participate, please get ready with your science exhibition. So if any new school have joined this event, then you can register your name in the recipient committee. Okay, so get ready. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Covering long life Kelangara Tunduang Pini Banga secondary law. First Borjan Labangsu education mane Labangsu event hadi mega events Pini Banga secondary law Ladak Rong Tilu ke Patua Klamalong Lasi Labangsu ke chepatirpi pon ke elitum Assam Gaurav along Awardee law elitum ke Chu head ke Longdun ke elitum kaching hon nai elitum alun sepi pokela lek tepi lapen sar Binong Teron alang litum sike long lo lasi education anso se awareness ke padoji anso se civil engineer punon doctor punon pilot punon ason di ketek dunji anso se prang dunji aphan ake hai sir Binong Teron alang lipenangan ke cepaduglo college along university long dam si professional career puthak alang li chingki je than padupon lo lason dak se alang amena dimolong sami Borjan first Borjan di Labangso education mega event sita me alang li bipon lo pini banga second angdung lo second banglo si jo lada kaprek di kaprek student atum ban pini banga science exhibition doji lase lada banga solar irrigation working models तो आप लोग कहाँ से कौन से स्कूल से हैं आप लोग
मोहम्मदीजुआ हाई स्कूल
आपका नाम
स्वाति छेत्री
What is your standard Which class do you read
Class 10
Class 10 you are in class 10 okay what is your name
Rudra Sharma Rudra Sharma
you are in the same class
yes
okay. So your name
Sangeeta Devi
which class do you read
Class 10th
okay what is your name
My name is Pritam Bangsa
okay what is your standard which class
class 10th
okay tell us who will explain all the presentation about today I mean this is the solar irrigation working models not yet so can you just give me some presentation how it works
okay
kone kobo
so moi
kwa
আমি ইয়াতো নদীৰ পৰা আমি মটৰ সহায়তে পানী
এটো পানী ন
यस নদী
এটো নদী আৰু এটো তোমাৰ কি হ'ব
ব্ৰিজ
ওকে ওকে ইয়াত কি আছে
এতে হা আছে আৰু পানী
আচ্ছা যেটা পানীৰ পৰা তুমি কিহত তুমি কিবা কৰিবা
ফার্স্ট মটৰতে কৰিব আৰু তাৰপিছতে টেংকি মানে মটৰটো মানে স্টার্ট হ'বলৈ চলিবলৈ এটো সোলাৰ সিস্টেম আমি
সোলাৰ আচ্ছা তাৰপিছত আমি কি উৎপাদন হ'ব কি কেনে ধৰণৰ মানে
ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি
কি সহায় হ'ব মানে
ইয়াৰ পৰা আমাৰ খেতিয়কৰ বাবে বহুত বেছি সহায় হ'ব কাৰণ ইয়াতে আমি বিদ্যুৎ উৎপন্ন কৰি পানী ইয়াৰ টেংকিৰ সহায়তে আমি খেতিয়ত দিব পাৰো
এটো খেতি কৰি আছে মানে এটো তাৰ মানে এটো তুমি মানে ফাৰ্মাৰ মানে
यस স্যার
এটো তোমাৰ ট্ৰেক্টৰ মিনি ট্ৰেক্টৰ এটো অকমান জুম কৰিবা ক্যামেৰাম্যান খুব ধুনিয়াকে তেওঁলোকে ক্লে লগত কিবা কিহৰ ক্লে এটো কি লগত বনাইছা তুমি
আমি এটো ব্ৰাউন ক্লে
ব্ৰাউন ক্লে লগত বনাইছা না এটো কোনে কৰিছে
এটো
তুমি কৰিছা আৰু এটো কি বনাইছা তোমাৰ মডেল
সোলাৰ আৰু ট্ৰেক্টৰ
আচ্ছা এটো তোমাৰ ঘৰ নাকি
ঘৰ আছে
এটো গছ গছনি আৰু এটো পুৰা হিউজিয়া মানে পুৰা
হিউজিয়া
মানে পথাৰ কিমান দিন লাগিলে এটো মডেল বনাব যাওঁতে
স্যার দুদিন
লাগিল তেতিয়াহলে আজি এক্সিবিশনত তোমালোকে ফাৰ্স্ট আহিবা বুলি তোমালোকে অনুভৱ কৰিছা নেকি নে কি বুলি
গৈছিল স্যার
ট্রাই কৰিবা প্ৰেজেন্টেশনটো ভাল হ'ব লাগিব হয় নহয়
স্যার
ঠিক আছে আমি তেতিয়াহলে আকৌ বেলেগ স্কুলৰ হেৰি সাইন এক্সিবিশন বিলাক চাম ইয়াত কি ধুনিয়াকে তেওঁলোকে তো তোমালোকৰ নাই একো লালম কাম Wah, langtha di langmip piglo. Ladake ason plum trees dolo, tengpit hepu side lo. Pilo lage mane kopi model bang lo.
Lagi water conservation.
Water conservation.
Lapu na bangke.
Apa penang le nang anu na kemame?
na puna ba rainwater harvesting lo ye puna bangke sewage treatment lo
okay ke lage highway lo
all by highway lo for lane lo
koson lo so water mane koson lo preserve
mane la rainwater harvesting mane itum conserve lo mane future generation anta ka bachai pi phan lo ke mane koson lo gela mane lai agriculture gelai hemlong pali han lo la water rainwater harvesting ke pu sewage treatment bangke ne la kaino alang ke bang he la hempen en po gelai la teng long pon pamatia lai la screen bar long pon po transfer point gela grid removal teng long peni po gedak pen la sedimentation teng long mang po da irrigation tank pen da clarification tank long po gemna digester tank long mang po gela lai wat la dak teng long he lai water am purify la po ke lai hemlong pali dam point ke
nilimen ko sono
nilimen ke elevation se
anal tum kono school pen lo
nilitum ke little flower high school manjapen
ate laso model ke komalo ke salam ke
ni pen ni tim tu
nang tu tim side lo
nilimen bong im terang pu
nilun
akali lun mai
nilimen long soring ti
nilimen bibison teron nilimen ang tong timong
da ke
ku photo lablo di
te ko son lo mane la ke mane idea kona belo ke ban
idea mane ade ke nitum ta penelo ke teacher dum nang help dun lo an idea
la ke nan lo nang tu non an ke paklang just an exhibition lo
mane no pini si penela ke ban
nang tu school ben first time mo
first
nang tu prang khai dun mana
prang school hem kap peni like peni hot chipi dun lo hai dun long
te lai ke copy khan
lai ke mane ke paklang lo mane lai ta la mane forest ta role play lo mane la water conservation hane mane lai forest le bete water conservation ta mane an peni o ilo arvi ta inghun lo ba
inghun lo la ke hem le hai ke lai ke copy pi lo
lai ke rasta lo gela hem lo lai ke dak mane barrier la ba barrier ngel hai hem pensi mane la waste water hai
copy pen lo ke selam na
hai ade ke lai waste material mane recycle bottles lai pen lo mane recyclable things I lo
wishing you all the best
thank you
okay come cameraman non ga ko kapre kalong dam tu na so hello come all the teams so malo nang thanun po what is your name
My name is Lunika Ansepi.
You're from which school?
Rangsina Sangardev Shishu Nikitan.
Studying in which standard?
Class 8.
And you?
My name is Rangsika Tipi. I read in class 8. We are from Rangsina Sangardev Shishu Nikitan.
Can you?
My name is Apraminti. I read in class 6.
You look like exactly like a Tintin, no? Tintin baching lupin.
My name is Milbantu. I read in class 7.
My name is Rosmika Rongpi. I read in class 8.
My name is Lurmeti Mungpi. I read in class 7.
My name is Sarli Taro. I read in class 7.
Okay, so your school is from okay. Who will give me the presentations of today's models?
My teacher.
Okay. Kumalo presentation na kitan pola sa puthak. Nali na pudin theki ma copy puthak lo.
Waste management.
Waste management copy pilo lage copy hem lage.
Like Parliament House lo sir.
Acha okay. Lage copy lo hospital do lo government office do lo di. Copy phano na tum gela la sa.
Mane nitum ki bibange la college la government school private school athe government school mane private school onke an mat ke dun labun emati sir asin to my government school ta bilong ke higher kachali phan ke college na ko lasi college la da understanding ni phan mane college ta bilong ke college long ke canteen ta do lage mayo chini horlo inke hospital kiso mane kisolo plote jinis ta hospital ke dambo matila so a message ki pielo government office ta nitum ki bilo inke la market complex mayok ta ki jon mate peri hai kaching thangi phansita market long ke damnang vekji inke la parliament house bangke ki do ahem pes ni to me pinelo mane building a ki thela si pathi chat yalo
copy puthak lo just men bang
mane
a model le chini le a concept copy puthak lo mane copy ko solo paklai phano paklai
mane nitum ka paklang ibang ke la garbage lo matidi mane ekta modern city pya inke la koson la mane itum waste management penta mane pangjar nang ne lason mane lason pangjar lo nana ne plastic ha haile pangjar posita lason mane pollution do po inge thengpi theng prang phanta effect po human tum phanta harmful po ma tisar la si lahai koson lo nitum cardboard use inge la thermocol inge lahai paper lahai use lo monai lo mane waste management pen tai tu monai me hemalong sita decorate me la so phansi nitum ekta message pi piasa
prang long dun mala som sign exhibition
actually ke nitum koson lo bali pathar long dun sita long le long de itivelang ki pinidun ke non bai second time lo sa
malo concept ke ban ke lage ala idea malo ban ke
la bai nitum kamatha pensi pini lo sa
team le
mane hedi koson la bisi mane nitum kamatha ilong bang ke la so flower do mat di koson la ingnek me alang lo koson la ali long lo yalo mane nitum ba hedi mane koson la mane isi mona image pe he mane waste pen ta isi mona mi la sing ke hola topic long ta waste management pudo la so pen nitum idea ke long da
जो अलग लिथु में दी प्लीज काइंडली जूम दिस लासो मॉडल में जूम था लासो हरमु के अलग लिथुम तोवार डाम मुसी के लॉन्ग दा माने के जोंसी लाहे हरमु वारचू प्लास्टिक मुखा वारचू पुलते प्लास्टिक पेन ता के वार पेन वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट ना पुठा के तुम आइडिया इसी क्रिएटिविटी तुम स्कूल लॉन्ग सा पकलांग पन में पुमासी एग्जीबिशन अलग तुम अलग पकलांग दलो दिस इज द सेकंड टाइम लो दी
yes sir
ante nang tum ki mat ham pig lo di anso se la puson nang tum school pe nang tum la son ke ja pon tek pak na tum na kilo wishing all the best di la so competition mo high date polo te pilo ki pinchang
high date polo te mane cheho mane koson lo high date polo te ining tarong opo inke pine po mane aprang nitum ho dak bali pathar ki dun pen experiment ki long pen nitum mane non la da koson lang cepak lang dun pen nitum ale dolo long lo pe he
principal pilo na pu gana
nitum high school lang ge principal ke ave headmistress man nangki pu bang ke nitum photo sen lo mati sar maneng paklang tha alang li ke son aphui so lok no long ge school bang e hoptai sine hoptai ni ne dolo ama ke nang pin ne dolo
support dun lo
nang support dun lo mane paklang dun pa mekanon pine discipline do tu bai nang than le hesa ke nang support dun lo and all the best tang pudun lo
ante labang so competition long nal tum hana school fans tame wishing you all the best okay thank you guys okay my no cameraman okay hello kelang de okay hai te nali tum ge na school pen lo
St. Thomas High School. Thanh Tom Tiso.
Which standard you are studying?
We are all in 9th standard.
You are all in the 9th standard and tell us your name.
Sardining tea.
You are not cutting your hair, man.
No, I was going to cut, but
you do not get the time.
Yes.
Okay. Next time when you you know attend a school program or anything regarding the school, you know, you should always be in the disciplined way. Okay. Okay. What is your name?
My name is Teron.
My name is Sambe Pokro.
My name is Samuel Teron.
Okay. Who will give me the presentation about today's your model?
I will give.
Okay. Kosan ko pia putha ko.
This model is about the waste management. So first of all, let's know what is waste management. Waste management is the process of handling or transporting or possess or disposing the waste materials in such a way that it will not harm the society and it will be good for the human health also.
Okay. From where did you get this creativity idea? How? From where?
From ourselves. We just have a meeting, small meeting. Then we are thinking. Then we just create something.
Okay. What is this, man? Coming out from this?
This is the factory for recycling factory.
How you made it, man?
Cigarettes, sir.
Kesel lo ke kai ke? Kesel lo amhi sumon de. Factory lo tho. Kesel lo.
Alo apne son thu phai huya hai logai dun
la. De lage la so battery ke.
This
for to pakad ha. Jo, henna do.
Here is the light as well.
Light do you?
And this is solar.
Solar. Wow, jo lang tha. Henna do. So, is this first time that you are presenting here, or did you have experience anywhere?
No, this is our first time on presenting any models.
Okay. Then wishing you all the best. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. Okay. Non ke Ladakh ke. Hello, guys. So, what is your name?
Rahul Timon.
From which school you belong?
We are merging English ME school.
Okay. Which standard you read?
I read in class 8.
Okay. Tell us your name.
My name is Ruptalin Tarangpi.
And you?
Danger Krupi.
Okay. What is all this? What is all this about?
This is electric current through a liquid.
Yeah. How? Who will give me the presentation? Kumalo nang panun po. Presentation malo nang pidun po. Nang iba. Kumalo idea keman gela so.
Labange science book song ban sige ane.
Oh, nang dun idea kuri la. Pang lane paklang dun mas na example and pen. Model and pen. Nani paklang dun.
Don't.
First time.
First time.
So how it works? Just show us.
Labang distilled water lage lemon juice.
Okay.
Inke labang rain water.
Okay.
Inke labang tap water. La so bang ekta self and mix bol that sense fitting la desi a light bang boyala.
Try it.
First Borjan Education Mega Event along a little part.
Oh, lighter one.
Adam Kardo Pajila na little man ato ko panstame student lapen teacher lapen kelang rata do ana panstame lito organizer team pen. Good morning Kardo kato ko panstame non ilito tek bolong sing lake ilito bangso have tun pia long ilito science exhibition mate break jam school break jam kachipati do pon po
yo distributor peng light bang we mati yo
mate students ato panstame chising make pen ke ponsi pasi pachik non malong so philo pratame ilito break jam
still water
student jam pen labang so science exhibition ali dum kelang dun pen ali
so water pen ala jam mati kenon man on sales ke
Inti nane.
Inti pindah naik mah. Oh. Inti dah pindah ni. Inti. Lari wah.
So lagi orang boleh ke? Sakit bang kom. Wan ilang. Oh ya. Yes. Complete lah. Yo, labang lain bang celo. Ingke non mang ke. Yela ekta example है distilled water long people say a line है गार्डन पास होने दे लपटे आठेदा के एकता सन मिनरल्स हॉर्मोन विदे मटी ले जाके ला सो पासी पास नहीं दे ला
फिल्टर बिना कोल है
पूरा फिल्टर पासी पास नहीं दे ला उसी एकता को
ट्राई तो ना जो लद्दाख कैमरामैन लद्दाख जूम था ला डिस्टिल लांग मते फिल्टर लांग लोंग जोंगसी पकालो पुलते लाइट कारकेलो सितामी कपरे लोंग पीलो पुलते केमिकल के मिक्स टांग मते दी लद्दाख के मिक्स तो टांग दा पकाड़ा
lemon juice लोंग
ट्राई ना
यो
ओ लद्दाख का
एकता इसिट सन दो कपला सिट्रे यो
कैमरामैन यो
ball.
Tahu nama? Wow. Kenapa sih idea gimana lagi?
Ekta science long dulu lah chapter 8 long miang fight long miang deh. Chapter 8 long do. Ladakh masih so idea bang ke en bola.
Wishing you all the best. Kita thap mapping lo alang itu idea tadi. Lah se okay wishing all the best okay. Non lang dah mang. Wow. So, good morning guys. What is your name, sir?
My name is Kang Hwan Bae. I am from Hidipi High School.
Which standard you read?
Class 10.
Okay. Tell us your name, good name.
My name is Nong Ikro.
Okay. Which standard you read?
Class 10.
Class 10.
Yes.
And what is your name?
Jordan Teron P.
Which standard you read?
We are all class 10.
Oh, you are all from class 10 and from the same institution. And who made this model?
I am.
As a team?
Yes.
Okay. Did you gone to for kapre ka team long paklang duno malasan exhibition?
Oh, that went 2 times lo.
This is your second time. Okay. And who made this creative idea?
I. This 4 member. This 4 member.
Okay. Kupi put haglo lage?
Smart agriculture.
Okay, smart
agriculture.
Okay, so tell us all about.
We are speaking Karbi, okay?
Okay, chok.
Mane drip system irrigation mage hala definition bola.
Drip system mane lage.
Mane
drip system lo mane aprang hot ke lang ki pista hedi mone tum du oitilo si labang so machine ben pot lang imumuni arniwang ka cloth up dopo si labang pa joy ke titilo labang hana long lang ki pi la hai phan lo la pen la pubang ke labang ke with farming labang ke scarecrow lo la birds pipini tumbang lo te kap phereji phan machine pensi automatic parting that po okay inke labang ke seed protection
mane ilila kuson lo picture je panso pe pumati simen automatic arbe jandu te inode mani koi thekni mati dasi switch brake like ola mi thang habla
arbi jang lo polete labang chi diplu po automatically
lage pila
la bangke penilo greenhouse control mane la arni pan direct ka gas ke bang he ham tum phan akahe no do chatiti la sila plastic pakawar lo hoso greenhouse gas han pa stop po la bange rainwater harvesting lo la pene garden of the hula geneva water pump floor to delo lang pimo delo plote hedi la rainwater harvest kai stock tang pol so lang le la dak up tamilo
ore wa ase kunna pelo la so idea ke long
ne mi thang ban no
mi thang malo de ko son na paklang on tha ko son light karji mal hai
karji mane la charging ko
to cameraman jo wow why do people lage ko pila
lagi greenhouse control la alu temperature do lo thedi la fan pa ja pa alu temperature pa kompo
hala da cutting
la bang arting te bo tum bang hai helo
are wa
ingela bang ke wind energy lo pine garden be hala arting por da pa generator bang po
zoom lo ma ode wow
yes
ante ko son ante hala ke ko chik paching hap ke jo la so roof di amena automatically bang
cek po ingela ako ani solo te ako la mi thang ba cheng pucha
wah ko son idea ke bang nu lan lai electronic or mu battery ko nasi wiring ko son si fitting nang ji ma ko pe motor se nang
ne ni bang ge hadi school le pori thek oi da same lai bang ning hang o pe lo hem te he ani bang na selam bang ni pa ni pum nang pu bom le hel selam ve ri be ke he mane school chale de ti ma ti tu ta me de bai ning hang de lo ma selam lo kai bang ta
da ke nanti ko son lo la mane pini dang na paklang du principal pilo na
mane
principal pilo na pudun ke
pahai dun nai bela mane paklan pamekan nai bela
ITI dong charling tung ma pilo charling tung
metric pass te ITI charling
alang edi pini bange ba engineer si bang ma didi nasi nang li engineer man du nang pode engineer man me basta me kapek duma didi electronic ahi kitai so wishing all the best ante nang li rong na lo
kanya be
kanya be ko pulo
hidipi kanya be la pin kanya be number 1 ba
okay nang li po men nang li pa men
Borsing be ingeni payment ke sitati mungpi
okay wishing you all the best guys thank you okay chalo yahan aate hain hello good morning guys
good morning sir
what is your name
my name is Krish Chetri
okay which standard you read
I read in class 11
from which institution you belong
I belong from Dilai Higher Secondary School
okay your name please
my name is Sarong Kingling
which standard you read
I read in SS first year
Myself, Rashmi Rong Perpi, student of HS Father Arts from Dila Higher Secondary School.
Myself, Saimur Tongpi from HS Father Arts. I am from Dila Higher Secondary School.
Myself, Krishna Rai from Dila Higher Secondary School, studying in HS Second Year Arts.
Who will give me this presentation of your model? You.
Yes, sir.
And from where this model comes to your mind? Did you learn from YouTube channel or did you learn by all yourself?
We learn from all ourselves with the help of our vocational subject teacher, Sir Shivaram, who is our agriculture subject teacher. He helped us.
Okay. Then give me some presentation about today's model.
It's a smart agriculture system.
Okay.
So, starting from relay cropping, it's a type of cropping where one crop is about to be harvested, the another is planted. The process goes on. And it's a relay cropping where some of the trees, fruits trees are being bearing. On the other side, we keep on planting some crops. and this is crop rotation, seasonal crop like Rabi crop and Kharif crop.
Okay, and what?
That is terrace cropping.
Okay.
Terrace cropping here refers that when the rain falls in hilly area, it used to be get blocked because of some hills. But after making such kind of terraces, we can plant crop here.
Okay.
Especially Rabi crop.
And this one?
This is our farmhouse, where we can store things for ourselves when we are here to cultivate something.
Is there any machinery that you can show to us, like lightning or what kind of motor do you have? Any battery system?
No, sir.
No.
Only this one is pipe.
Okay, what is that for? That stand for?
That is our drip irrigation.
Okay.
And it's our tank. It is our vermicompost, and that is our cow shed.
Okay. Did you gone for any exhibitions, or is this your first experience?
This is our first experience.
Okay, wishing you all the best then.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So long then.
Just check. Share.
Enjoy. Oh, do. Hi. Hello. Hi. Only hairstyle lang niya. Hi. Hi guys. Hi. Hello. Hello sir. Good morning. Hello guys.
Hello.
Labentu labangso sign exhibition lo kangkru ngasai donji teman sami ni hang tung akai mukrang neng alang li junior engineer da selang li panta dai song ge wan panta chung bondo laben alang li long kacharap donji apan ni chung hang tung alang li ta judge lo akai Vikram Teron alang li panta sami sign exhibition lo kangkru ngasai donji apan ni chung hang por itu alang li ge itu malo patu be da dokun bang pulo alang li alang li pan same dak thing sawan so hang pen ja sawan peng pen alang li pan same itu made itu lo alang li ke mukrang leng lo alang li ke civil engineer and alang li dikrom Teron kai pan same man ke dokar bia bhopen ka chui pan chui bolo alang li ke pini ke media person same dak so even along sign exhibition are just something itu malang pan jong bolo तो तभी मैंने आपको साइन एग्जीबिशन ला पेन ड्राइंग कंपटीशन कैंपू पहुंचे अपन क्या बाबरा में पी पंसी अपन बोलो तो तब पे पिनी लेतुम बिनोंग तेरों ने कहा है अलंगी कमथा पेन पिनी लेतुम रोंग थिलू पथुआ क्लामलों Kitchen C First Borjan Education Mega Event tu labang so ajai meg pini mithai mate ni job ani nilephan sign exhibition laben drawing competition labang so kang kupon award sign kupon pot pini ladak kang pojai megalong ni tong dun mate itu macam homnai Assam Gaurav Binong Teron ke hai lapen thu pini ladak labang so chepatirpi long kimisen kichoklin labang so kang kang sai Teron saho lapen so ke hai lapen thu pini ladak retong dun high school tin ben kiban chepatirpi dun amuma abang sumak lapen awalden lapen apikcar lapen kadok awe pini ladak agin pidun abang thubang thikidoan lasi ahok peke nirong pik apingu dai thang lo laso apuram kabunai ji punitun kachingwai tar ding pik lo athemat itum ta papek ason taklang na rong thiluta walang tum kacari akai nu pen kacari man pini ang theka paklang theka pot binong taman kai tapan churu par pik lo suri churu par pik lo lapen lakhau ne pensi ka churu lo lang handa be lasi ahok pet ke lalo ile tum kidam tang hawar thu selason lapen junior thu selason lapen kopine aprogramoson kai kita huri saya soalnya teglong, tetapi puni labang so education mega event program ke disiplin tang si kumani bang tamak dom samjindan uniform na ak dom pujilang ipik lahano ini karong nage kupine pulang ada kumane apa mang pulang yang prat tetapi pini ladak education mati student power puji teglong lahano student to uniform bang an uniform ke bang ke muli to barahi ke nai lahalo student power ke lahalo uniform halo bilang semua uniform ke bang jadi si kadok kabe kicok tap country yang kerang tanang pede heda lo nang to power lo lagi laso power kepak bang he kapot angko turun pola ke Binong Teron ki hai kamata he ajo ini si labang so power ke bang lasi wili yang tu manta ni tani ngarong man ni thewe dalo ni likai ta kai kita isdena pawalong sebutung tungula lasi laso pawal bang kai kita itulumer po alang li kuna mala bang so pawal kita indon ni ta kai kita turpipo lasi na temang no si halo alang li kuna si pawal kita make ni ta kai kita alang logo tesi oisa reski no si ihike hingho ihike ektuka phosa di bocor saya tu tumpu. Lasi muli lamang so pini kang pojai mek apa doi lo, athema kimi dang tum kang nitum tame kiceng lang masih di, nana tum khan kicu na hol mutan tik tong heda lo. Lasi nun kimi lagi khan nesen pen nitum tame boni tum bom nang penang tum pen kato kawe budi sore cepat coy pen si, aku anu saya lamang so ui kimi tum kaca di semua tu pan ada seru boleh pansi
Itum kaduk betame tisiar pun hana pusi ngili nang tum han tungi lo.
Rohit Singnar, Beton Singnar, Jamika Ansepi, please be in the ground, be in the drawing ground.
Line.
Students, the theme which has been given for you is Visual India in 2047. Are you getting? 2047. That is 25 years from now. That is number one. And number two is design a superhero who fight for a cause you care about. That is number two. And the last one is a world without pollution. That is your theme. So you have to draw according to that. And you have to, don't forget to write your name, schools. Your name and school name. And you will be given 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, you have to submit. Okay? So your time starts now.
All the best, guys. Suru karo, suru.
It is further from our Dilahari Secondary School.
Myself, Rashmi Rongperpi, student of Dilahari Secondary School from HS Sponsored Arts.
Okay. So, can you please tell me what's the name of your project?
The name of our project is Smart Agriculture System.
So, can you please explain me regarding your project, regarding the Smart Agriculture System?
So, first of all, I would like to say that it's a simple project which would help especially the hilly areas like Dima Asam, Karbi Anglong. So it's a farmhouse, it's a cow shed, it's a vermicompost, it's a solar plate, it's a tank where we conserve the rainwater for harvesting. So here we have the well. So beginning with relay cropping, it is a smart agriculture system where we can plant another crop before harvesting another. Its benefits are it keeps the soil from prevent from erosion. It keeps soil fruitful. So it is very helpful. Secondly, relay cropping. It is a type of agroforesting crop where long trees like coconut trees, walnut trees are being kept, and on the next line we harvest the crop, we plant the crop, and it's crop rotation. Crop rotation refers as two different types of crop. Seasonal crop, Rabi crop and Kharif crop. Rabi crop, once harvested, we would plant again the Kharif crop, which keeps the soil very helpful. And referring to as drip irrigation, here where we need lots of water. So drip irrigation refers to where we irrigate the field and plant many more vegetables. And it is referred as terrace farming, a very good farming for hilly areas. Where we have hills, we could convert it into a slope where we can cultivate the crops.
Okay. So what is drip irrigation system?
Drip irrigation system is irrigation system where we can plant crops with the help of lots of water.
Okay. So what is its main purpose?
Its main purpose is to...
Just in one sentence.
Its main purpose is to... Its main purpose is to protect it from soil erosion.
No, it's not that. What is the main purpose of drip irrigation system? The basic purpose. I'll give you a hint. It's regarding water.
It's to conserve water.
Yes, that's right. Okay, so now lastly, just explain me in short, how does since you said that your system will be beneficial for the hilly areas, right? So explain to me in short, how will your project, the one that you have it here, will benefit hill people? Just in short.
This system helps in rural area because in rural areas farmer doesn't
not rural areas, hilly areas.
Yes, it's hilly areas. Farmer doesn't have any technology, scale equipments, modern equipment, so this fits for best.
Okay, so for terrace farming, right? Water is one of the main source. So in hilly areas, how can we increase the water table? Like what thing can we do so that the mountain has the adequate quantity of water in the days to come?
For this, sir, we can use rainwater harvesting.
Okay, so how will you use in the hilly mountain?
We will first build a water tank, and after that,
I want a natural process.
Natural process. When the rain falls, we'll build a ring somewhere in the hill areas. It has to be built firstly, and after that, a tank will be.
So you said a ring, right? So what is that term called exactly? So you said you will build a pit, right? So what is that pit called? What area it's called? It starts from sea. Sea area. So what is that sea?
I'm not sure about this.
It's called catchment areas. Okay. So thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
We are from Awardee Degree School. I read in standard 10. Name is her name is chepatirpi.
No, speaker.
My name is Teron.
My name is Binong.
My name is Teron.
Just you hold it.
And to all my dear friends, we are from Elephant Academy School in Philippi Bazar. My name is Teron. Our project is about renewable energy.
So can you please explain to me regarding your project? Detailed analysis. Explain to me the step-by-step procedures.
Firstly, biomass. It doesn't work.
What does it work? I'm asking you to explain me the step-by-step process of your project. Like there is biomass, solar energy, hydropower, wind energy, power. So explain it to me regarding your project. Okay. Since the name of your project is renewable energy, nang project kami renewable energy pula, lasi pipan renewable energy kanang jike. Why renewable energy is important in our society, in the modern day world? No, makai. Along, pipan renewable energy akin nang sok kiduke. We need electricity, right? To produce our factories, right? To light up our houses. So we need electricity. But why renewable energy is important in this modern day world?
We are from Merging Assam School, and my partner names Danger, Kropi, and Ruptali and Ruptalin.
Okay. So please explain to me regarding your project.
This is distilled water, lemon juice, tap water, salt, rainwater, and dry cell. This is key.
Okay. So what is this process called?
This process called
laso process namen ko pilo. Nono nang lide pan naga explain what.
Electric current tools of liquid.
I am asking the process name. It starts from
Salki.
It starts from E. The ending is lysis.
Sorry, English है कोई.
Kijut ke headi lysis. Letter kecil E pen. Laso proses amen ko pilo. Laso full proses amen ko pilo.
Complete circuit.
Electrolysis. So, inod pen cathode kuchini lo budi. So laso electrolysis a process lo nang litung kini lo. Kalau bangsi positive charge lo, lapen kalau bangsi negative charge lo. Is the anode positive or negative, or is the cathode positive or negative?
Labang yang positif, labang yang positif, labang yang negatif.
Labang sini lo. Itu nak anode pen cathode belum ada di. Lalu kita kini lo di. Tapi anode abang positif, man negatif lo.
Anode abang negatif.
Toxic, anode abang positif. Artinya lagi electrolysis benar, electrochemical bang kali. Lapen itu ada current papasi boleh itu distilled water si use poma, lemon juice si use poma, tap water si use poma, salt water, rain water lo.
Ada pe lemon juice, salt water,
Current ke conduct pak. Acha, not distilled water. So why is lemon juice and salt water a good conductor?
Present ions. Mana ions tu kau super cepat.
Acha. So just keep in mind, okay? Itu current jawab pas ke distilled water use po. So first of all, nang chemical formula nang of distilled water and tap water. Chemical formula. Water chemical formula pino.
H2.
Oh, itu distilled water kan? So distilled water chemical formula ta H2O amadlo. The difference between tap water and distilled water is its purity. Jujur boli. Athe ke nonang la so battery nang da connect lo pute lagi isi pilo pui electrolyte lo mati. Nang da connect lo pute nang da ions cepat lo ko. Jujur boli. Lapen tap water lo ke impurities lo. So that pilo pui chemical reactions nang mane so we need a pure water, which is distilled water. Okay, and this process is called electrolysis, and the positive one is called anode, and the negative one is called cathode. Okay. Apa lagi?
Jo lagi new ini abang LED bang pindah है.
Okay.
Labang ahin itu alat kerja dalam ada. Kalau lemon juice.
Okay.
To hala.
Sorry. Thank you. Untuk lagi itu carbon tripping siklam nang po. Bujuk lo bede. Instead of nang windmill empen aku nang kepapa jipan ke. So this process is 1% boleh. This is 0% right bang. Oh deh, kalau bang deh ini cipina. So windmill purpose ke lapan colo mah. That last I'm asking once again.
For both is
for both.
For reproducing energy as well.
For producing energy. For what?
So that it can work.
So that
when there is no ocean, there will be no energy from the solar panel. So sometimes the wind will produce energy.
Okay, so last question energy report. Real world situation mang hedi. Lasso process copy le tuman kira betul poke. Mane practically on field. What problem will it solve?
A clean society.
Okay, thank you so much.
My name is Chepatirpi and I'm currently studying in 10th standard and we are from Sergin High School.
Okay.
My name is Archimintri. My name is
My name is Chiragong Batar. My name is Akadero.
Okay. So what is the name of your project?
The name of our project is rainwater harvesting.
Okay, so can you please explain me your project?
This is mainly profitable for the people who are living in hilly terrains and just like a dry area. First, when a rain falls, we will store all rainwater here. After that, this will go to the water filtration. After water filtration, we will store the filtered water here. And after that, we will send to the RS. After that, we can distribute to the all these various scarcities of water.
Okay, can you please explain me the first process? How will you catch the rainwater?
We will catch the rainwater when the rainwater falls.
So where will you catch?
When the rain falls.
Yeah, I know that. Where will you catch it? Like the rain will fall, right? So where will you catch? Okay, so since this is rainwater harvesting, right? So the basic principle of rainwater harvesting is to trap the rainwater, right? So in the first stage, regarding your project, how will you trap the rainwater?
You can pass the mic to someone.
In the rainwater storage.
Kosono alang kidudun po.
We conserve water from the method of rainwater harvesting.
I know that. Nilakar juga lang kosono ke emet dun po. Kinet. Lang kosono kinet.
Kipang pen dun po.
Balting for ini, no itu modern day world lo, mon karena itu mudah makai ini, report lo akhirnya soft. Why is rainwater harvesting important in the current world that we live in?
Because the water. Because the water is decreasing by day due to some natural factor as well as human factor.
Okay, thank you so much.
My name is Ringalin Tawipi. Project is Smart Agriculture.
Okay, so can you please explain it to me?
Smart Agriculture, the main purpose of this is by using technology. As the modern days, we have more population. That is why we can use this agriculture to grow plants, cultivate it, and that's all.
Okay, so please explain to me what is a hydroponic system and what are its uses?
This is hydroponic, and it is a method where a country uses less land for cultivation. This is a method by using just water, and the plants is grown. It is grown by just water.
Okay, so do we add anything in the water?
We just need to use cocoa beer.
No. Do we need to add anything in that water?
No, we don't need to add.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Without adding anything in the water, the plant will grow. Are you sure?
It is just made based on water nutrients.
Yeah, water. You need water nutrients. Okay, so you need to add nutrients. So do we need soil?
No, we don't need soil.
We don't need soil. Okay. So, what are the benefits of a hydroponic system as compared to a conventional system? We have two types of farming. Like one farming is the normal farming that we generally do, and one is the modern farming, which is called hydroponic system. So, what are its benefits as compared to the local farming, the general farming that we normally do?
In normal farming, we use soil, but in this system, we don't need to use soil.
So what are its benefits? Only to grow faster. Is this the main purpose? Okay. And can you tell me one example? Another one example. The one is to grow faster. Next. Okay.
To get nutrients from water.
To get nutrients from water. Okay. So you said the number 1 point to grow faster, right? Why does the plants grow faster in a hydroponic system? You can discuss. Why does the plant grow faster in a hydroponic system?
Because it is a modern way which we plant in water.
I know it's a modern way, but why does the plant grow faster? Because since you have mentioned a hydroponic system, right, you should know why the plants grow faster.
Because it gets nutrients very easily from water.
So the main thing is that it is done in a controlled environment, right? Because when we do a conventional farming, there are several factors regarding weather, availability of nutrients in the soil, right? But in a hydroponic system, it is done in a controlled manner, in a closed room. You can control the temperature, you can control the nutrients required for the plants. So that's the reason why the plants get the adequate environment and the right conditions for its growth. Okay, so lastly I want to ask one question. So the project that you have made, okay, what will it help in the real world? Real world situations lang practically itu man ko pilo mana kaya kita hidup ke dupo ke alam itu ma project.
It helps us in pollution, as well pollution, in that water storage.
It helps us in pollution.
Because during pollution there are many factors, like some they are using chemicals, but here we are doing only in.
And what is in the bracket?
Windows.
So the main purpose of the windows, right? Okay. So please explain to me regarding the project.
Can I explain it, Gaurav?
Okay, sure.
Like wilderness law, the natural greens, like store product, generator, that can supply product transformer, forest farm, wild animals, current supply for the roads kita memang
So what are the, like 1-2 points at it? So what are the advantages and disadvantages of a windmill?
Advantage panggil like windmill panggil picture like apanan stambi besen po lifetime prepare mona pola nature api ni apan besen pola disadvantage panggil ini pollution lahai panggil lan pinewelo pollution abang lan welo.
So pollution orang lah, anu ilo berarti lah disadvantages ko, mata advantages ko.
Advantages
Okay. So then, what is the disadvantage?
Disadvantage adalah pollution lahai apa ni bang?
Combo. That is an advantage. Pollution combo boleh ke advantage. Ide, windmill join pollution kong ke laki ini tuman alih. Itu karena hok kopi lo mana kita ke la windmill pe. Disadvantages
ke place bang nango.
Place bang nango, okay. So can wind energy be stored? Like itu hydropower dong mati dam 7 है. Karena we can store that energy, right? So windmill la energy itu है. Can be stored that itu mana store mah. Ini karena hem current dam jual, betul nak inverter long current store di. Current dam jual deh inverter pen current nak pipodi. Dan selasong thought si teman kita dua pola wind energy bang la energy generate pun mati di, electricity generate pun mati di. Can it be stored?
La wind la teman tu bom bang store pun.
Kita teman nak belok bang ke?
Mana bang bom la energy bang bom dah tu.
Okay. So ini non nangli tuma project long tak lagi forest tadi. Ini windmill ni lah forest tuman kopi lagi lah hoke teh tanglo. Dan ini mas dia konjampan tu don dio. Dan isi species tanpa hoke tanglo windmill. Kos species tanglo.
Species tanglo.
Biasanya ada giraffe, ada apa ada rhino, ada birds tu. Kalau species mana kena hoke teh tanglo. Windmill.
Birds macam
people lo.
Charting bomb latung jar bo demon tong pakai pakai.
ठीक है सुनिए last is simple question are जुड़ी हो like kopi lo itu kita magic है तुम थाने तुम के protect जीप थान के windmill ता दोनों को pas kalau lah तुम थाने में pasik sak वो जीप थान kopi lo तुम kita magic है kopi एक yang कम lo तुम kasih jauh magic है like what steps can we take to protect those bird species because that's one that it might get extinct, right? So what steps can we take to protect those bird species? Rigma? Anyone? Out here?
So, how's the mic?
Dinakana berarti, non birds tumke migratory path tu. Jadi, lada ingat tumne ametang atau bird dosan jadi lah tumta ametang isi migratory path tu. Betul lah so apa ni sila tuminjar berarti. Lasi birds migratory path adim longke windmill lah install lah dulu. Lapen latum seasonal appointment tum mana migration tu. Kalau sebut bangke windmill bang hor long sebut aku. Kalau sebut bang, tujuh berarti migration lah hutan. Kalau itu migration lah, so kita ada udah jauh sepati tu lah betul lagi extinct itu. So it's very important to protect those species. Okay. So last itu kopi tu malah modern day world long akhirnya tu pakai lah, meli tu project kan. Kopi akhirnya belum itu pakai, tu malah modern day world long. Ano ni tu dobo pakai long, jadi meli tu malah so project customer kan itu mah kopi lo alih ke long pakai tu.
Lasana taksi handwriting competition yang pupon je pan nilitum akhai Robinson se pan coba polot sana langli apor katuri se pernah join ni alangli lar. And also I would like to welcome on the stage Mr. Angto Hanse, assistant teacher, which will Sangat taksi pini nelirong long katakan rong telu pathu aklam long nelitung rong telu arat kacing honai neli kacing honai anpada neli bom Binong Teron man kedu Assam Gaurav anong ekelong abangku chepatirpi pen Borjan anpada karbiang risofan toklang ahin aprang ke Japonji to kamatha pen labang so
Borjan Education Mega Event labang sajai mek kibipon along nili tum cetong rapet tok banglo hir banglo angkota subject teacher Jambili Literary Foundation along the chairman anpar seta me karbila medamai atiri central committee along seta me sub editor welsingan se sarake hai anpata Nilijirupo lo, anpada Borjan Youth Forum lo, General Secretary lo, Delai Higher Secondary School lo, subject teacher lo, angtong hanse sarakehai, anpada labangsu jai meglong Halloween pen ache tongdong, lon sepu lo jutang acing hona bangfu obeni pen, kaki kacerok to bangfu rajurong hangakehai, lapen. Borjan angkang lo ahin school pen kewang man kedo than bang atum da pen nili gaching honnai nili bong mumar lo Borjan constituency lo school higher secondary pen kewang doan students atum lo charlie nili bong nili mumar atum aprang siya bangke nili ningarong pigam nili hem hong chulo rong thilu ke nili tu mehang thekwe juiwe ka dim lo pini labang so hawara long nili bong binong Teron asonson amhang nang thek si pini toklang hin Borjan angkang aphan ke ja ponji aphanalang li ajakong dachelo kamat hathe kamat hapun ke do pon nili bong taron ben ke nili punu aron lang ceta arta nili pena ki bilang Amas gacing hon ben nili bong busi hangdet Binong kaphana bangke aron pen langdam polo tante aputum pen langdam te punula apo phangsi phula seta me ching hon pe ke bosi nili kai keta nili bong aman si kai keta chipilo si nili bong Binong ajok si pini kaduk ka beta wanglong lo anpar nili gacing hon nai nili iklo karbiang long lai balong apherang ke alang li dan angkong rilong nili bong Binong Teron na joy ni si curut biglong nili phan kapang putoya bang ke essay writing competition pulo kasi essay writing competition ke student na tum phan ke kenang sotwek lo nang li essay ke toke nang li schooling ben ha thitheti ke essay ke cherap lo nang li ajar somle tokji nang liajar somle pamanji sida me isse ke nang dun khilo apo si isse writing competition ki bipo na bange metik lo labang so isse writing competition labang so isse writing ka charli pensi students atum bong mumar atum ong dung anole sa bange longpo kapre ka puthak sida me ka charli ning hang po la pen ketok skill sida me alang le tum long topo apo si isse writing competition ki bipo na pot nili ninging samik piklo tapi essay writing competition long ka chepate dunji ahin pen kewang school pen kewang nili bong nili mumaratum don aphan sita me hirjume pajodun lo alang letum say writing competition along mesen pen chepate dun po alang letum chepate dun se mesen senanong e chepalong dun po tapen kelong le tuman sita me mohalo sodabang ning duk desi kewang journey ing deng hini Borjan Education Mega Event hor ansu se mele thot po se ning thelo asnili lam the pading delo nili pini ninga klong pen arnam hirjume johangsi essay writing competition nili ninga klong pen ing pupo niglo pu pangdak po niglo kad
aprangsi nili lam the kecheng konji lake ladak Borjan ariso Ake hai Binong Teron phansi kachoro pensi cheng ponik po athema pini Borjan kang break jam school ka chali also mantum dak ka tong long ke le koma join ni lo po te alang li join ni lo alang li kamatha aben ka bordi ta so join ni ko si dum dak tong long alang jong si la bangso a plan claim place on te ko pang rumah saya claim place on te itu pini dak tong long le ji so at the very outset, I would like to thank and also congratulate Sir Binong Teron for holding such wonderful event. And I hope, and I feel like this is the first time that such an event is being organized in the entire Karbi Anglong. Ni na hot hegelong le pinang atason isi constituency ang bong along. Osomar to man Charlie osomar pang room si pekjam si pategi di puke. I have heard about football competition, dance competitions, but they are all exclusive on son si badoy bre chocho. Sita me academic sahin la puson ki pon ke hegelong le pinang sa de si choro tiglo na lipan. And at this moment I have been called on stage to inaugurate the handwriting competition. But to talk about handwriting, I'm a little bit afraid also. Why, you know? Because I have a very bad handwriting myself. Although it's a very important part of learning, I have failed in it. And I don't want you to fail in this aspect. You all must have good handwritings. Do you have good handwritings? Do you have good handwritings? You must continue to have good handwritings, okay? Otherwise, we teachers, when we see, during evaluation of papers, when we see horrible handwritings, we don't even like to check the paper. We don't see whether the answers are correct or wrong. We just give a lamba line and over. But if you have wonderful handwriting, good handwriting, neat and clean handwriting, whether you have written wrong, you have written stories instead of essay or whatever, but we, you know, we drags our attention. Kasi yung tungkol kita, lah handwriting lah itu kami benpurum ekor ba iri dah kadi, palang mesen di panpok ipik nang si, tema jong si lang no dak no tang teh, itu kecari playing son lata. Tema boy ni puson, itu kita koson ason jong si mesen lo, cok lim pusu tame, cok cison hilang mo, kalau kilang pun tak apa cip kilo. So I hope that all the participants who have come for the event are all prepared. Have you all practiced before coming? You might feel that handwriting में practice करने का कुछ चीज है क्या? ऐसा सोच सकते हो आप लोग. But remember, this is competition. Best of the best from each school have come, is it not? School team में take the name मुझे तो इधर लोग कदी. So, let's see who has the best handwriting among all the students present here. So, with this, by wishing the participants a very all the best, I declare that the handwriting competition is open. Thank you so much.
Hi. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Unmili Rohangi.
देखा हुआ चीज हम उसे कुछ बना सकते हैं, तो जो हम चीज नहीं बना सकते उसे हम डस्टबिन में फेंक देना चाहिए.
तो आपने यहाँ पे हॉस्पिटल, गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस, मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स ये सब क्यों बनाए? किस लिए बनाए?
इसीलिए कि दुनिया में भी हॉस्पिटल भी होना चाहिए और गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस तो होता है और मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स तो चीजें खरीदने के लिए या कुछ सामान खरीदने के लिए तो मार्केट में ही मिलता है.
वो तो समझ में आया, पर आपका जो यहाँ पे टॉपिक है, आपको पता है आपका टॉपिक क्या है? हाँ, तो हमको उसके बारे में जानना है. तो अगर आपका टॉपिक वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट है, तो आपने जो प्रोजेक्ट बनाया वो वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर ही बनाया है कि नहीं ना? तो हमको वो वाला एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए. कि आप ये जो एनवायरनमेंट आप बनाया है, आप वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट कैसा करेगा वो हमको जानना है, क्योंकि आपका टॉपिक वही है.
हमने ये वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट बनाया है.
आप ये सब किस लिए बनाया है?
मतलब कि हमने ये इसीलिए बनाया है कि मतलब कि एक मैसेज देना है कि कुछ बना सके, बस इतना.
तो ये हम लोग का साइंस एग्जीबिशन है ना, तो साइंस एग्जीबिशन हम लोग को रियल लाइफ सॉल्यूशंस क्या बोलते हैं सॉल्व करने हैं, है कि नहीं ना। तो आपका ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है उसका प्रोसेस तो हमको समझाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ये एक साइंस एग्जीबिशन है। जैसे कि वहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस का क्या है कि वहाँ पे क्या बोलते हैं स्मार्ट एग्रीकल्चर सिस्टम, है कि नहीं ना। तो आप लोग का वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट है, तो आप लोग वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट कैसा करेगा इस एनवायरनमेंट में, वो हमको जानना है। जैसे कि देखो हम आपको बोलते हैं ये आपका हॉस्पिटल है, ये आपका प्राइवेट स्कूल है कि नहीं ना। यहाँ पे डस्टबिन में सामान फेंकेगा वो लोग, तो ये डस्टबिन कहाँ पे गाड़ी आएगा, है कि नहीं ना। वो लोग यहाँ से ट्रक में भर के लेके जाएगा वेस्ट मटेरियल, तो ट्रक इस तरफ से आगे कहाँ पे जाएगा, आपका ये वेस्ट कलेक्शन पॉइंट में रखेगा। इसके बाद दूसरा गाड़ी आके ये वाला कहाँ पे लेके जाएगा, कहाँ पे लेके जाएगा, ये वेस्ट कलेक्शन पॉइंट के बाद कहाँ पे जाएगा, क्योंकि वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट है। इसके बाद कहाँ पे जाएगा, हेलो अर्जुन, why will you put smoke?
Pass the mic. Put near your mouth.
This harmful resource went to this carbon absorber. So this carbon absorber harmful gases will filter and goes to cleaner from clean air.
So what is the main purpose of this carbon purification for factories?
Environment will clean and
there are different kind of pollutions, right? There is water pollution, air pollution, different kind of pollutions, right? So what pollution will it solve by carbon purification?
Air pollution.
Air pollution. Okay. So in a carbon purification for factories, what is the main element that is required to purify the air? Water. Are you sure? Isn't that activated carbon? Okay. So after all the process is initiated, okay, what air comes out from here?
Clean air.
So what air? Like there are different air, carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide comes out from here. If carbon dioxide comes out from the chimney, then what is the purpose of carbon purification for factories? Your main purpose is to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions, right? So if the end product is carbon dioxide, then what is the use of this process? So what will come out of the chimney? The lastly, what will come out of here? I know clean air will come out. So what? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide.
Can we talk in Hindi?
No problem. वो हमको पता है। यहाँ पे लास्ट यहाँ से क्या निकलेगा? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकलेगा। अभी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ग्रीन हाउस गैस के लिए अच्छा है कि नहीं? अच्छा, यहाँ से क्लीन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकलेगा।
यहाँ पे कार्बन एब्जॉर्बर
आपने ये क्या है कार्बन एब्जॉर्बर। तो अगर यहाँ से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ही निकलेगा तो कार्बन एब्जॉर्ब हुआ। यहाँ से क्या दूसरा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड दूसरा ना
होता है ना। हाँ। और चिमनी से होके कार्बन एब्जॉर्बर हो जाएगा। हाँ। और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वहाँ पे अच्छा होगा क्लीनर होते।
हाँ, क्लीनर होके निकले वो हमको पता है। इसलिए कौन सा बना निकलेगा? नाइट्रोजन है कि नहीं ना? इसके बाद ऑक्सीजन है, इसके बाद कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, तो कौन सा वाला निकलेगा यहाँ से? ऑक्सीजन निकलेगा, क्योंकि हम लोग का मेन पर्पस है कि हमको कार्बन ट्रैप करना है और हम लोग वो कार्बन एक्टिवेटेड कार्बन से हम लोग ये ट्रैप करेगा ताकि वो कार्बन बाहर में रिलीज ना हो और हम लोग का जो क्या बोलते हैं ओजोन लेयर जो है ना वो हम लोग का इफेक्ट ना हो। बात तो समझ में आया? ठीक है, तो आप लोग का ये जो प्रोसेस है हम लोग का अभी जो रियल वर्ल्ड सिचुएशन में क्या बेनिफिट मिलेगा हमको?
ग्लोबल वार्मिंग कम होगा।
ग्लोबल वार्मिंग कम होगा। और आजकल हम लोग को ये क्यों चाहिए? काम करने का। ओके, थैंक यू।
Trees also perform a crucial role in water conservation because it regulates in water cycles and prevent erosion. Trees act as a natural absorber of water and it prevents the flow of water. By planting more trees, we can prevent the water. We can prevent the flow of water and store it.
Okay. So who will explain me this one? Okay. So explain me the step-by-step process.
The waste comes from the house and it is stored in the sewage tank.
Okay.
From this sewage tank, it is transferred to the screen bar. And here we have got some larger objects like bar and sticks and plastics. And from here, we transfer it, we clean it, this one through this bar screen. And it is moved to the grid removal tank. In this grid, the heavier particles are settled down. The water flows from this grid chamber to the sedimentation tank. And at this sedimentation tank, the water settled and now it has a larger space to settle the heavy particles at the bottom and giving a pure water.
Now, here we have sedimentation tank, and now it comes to aeration tank. In aeration tank, microorganisms are introduced. Microorganisms like aerobic organisms, they are produced to consume organic waste, and this flows to clarification tank. In clarification tank, microorganisms absorb and produce and activate the sludge and some organic.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Okay. After that, after sedimentation tank, aeration tank, right? So what is put in an aeration tank? What is introduced?
Aeration, new.
Like what gas? Like that, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, right? And aerobic process will take place, right?
Yes.
So what does an aerobic process require?
Aerobic process require oxygen.
Oxygen, yes, correct. So oxygen is introduced because aerobic process requires oxygen. Okay. So what does a clarification tank remove? Organic particles or inorganic particles?
Organic.
Are you sure?
Inorganic.
So first, inorganic, organic, after that again inorganic. Is this process right? So what does clarification tank remove? Organic particles or inorganic particles? Organic. Okay, it won't be organic because you have already removed the inorganic particles here. After that, the sedimentation tank and the clarification tank. It is used to remove the organic particles. After that, it forms a sludge, which is called activated sludge. Okay. So,
our topic is about waste management, sir.
Waste management.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, can you please explain me in details regarding your project?
Yes, sir. So, this is a permanent ethnic some building where the people live, and this is some of the garbage that this is a plastic as we put in here. There's a plastic we put here, and then if there are metal, as for example like rod and anything as we put here.
Good presentation.
And then waste is waste as wet as we can call it, some peel of the vegetable, and this is wet. So sorry, sir. Okay. So when they all will get here, this is plastic, and then to clean here, it will become some municipal board. As if we take a big truck, so it can take more. As all will keep here, will thrown here, and at first they will feed into it. Recycling collection center, as all the garbage will collect here. As the vehicle go again here, and yes, radical recycle collecting center will be again. This truck will put here, and all the garbage will put, and then all the garbage will come into garbage separation center. As all the garbage will be separated, as we can get the now wet garbage will be put into the biogas, and it can, as we can mix as some gas, and then dry will be put into some landfill, and plastic and metal will be put here in the recycling factor, sir.
Okay, so that's a good presentation. But what I want to ask is that the waste segregation that you have done, right?
Yes, sir.
Metal, plastic, wet waste.
Yes, sir.
Everything you have segregated in a very wonderful way. That's okay.
Yes, sir.
But will you pick them up all in the same truck?
No, sir. If we only, then there is no more space. We can take only one truck, sir.
Okay. So my main question is, since you have already segregated the waste,
yes, sir,
accordingly, which is very wonderful, why do we again need a garbage segregation center?
Because if we put it in one factory, it cannot be recycled, as this is plastic metal, it can be again recyclable, and this is as dry, as wet, we can use as biogas, and dry it as it will be, sometimes as it will be not recyclable, and we will put it in the landfill, sir.
My question is that,
yes, sir,
since the waste is already segregated in a very wonderful way, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So why do we again need a garbage segregation center, since it's already segregated?
Please again, sir.
Since the waste is already segregated into plastic, metal, dry and wet.
Yes, sir.
So why do we again need a garbage segregation center?
Because the municipal vehicle is only one, sir. As all the garbage is put in here, and then the truck will take. As the vehicle is same, and we cannot separate as same, sir. As real life, as diesel days, sir.
Isn't that increasing a lot of work?
What, sir?
Isn't it increasing a lot of work and like wasting the fuel of the vehicle, everything and all? Because you are doing the same thing 2 times. And so the main purpose of this science exhibition, right?
Yes, sir.
It is to find innovative ideas. It is to find innovative solutions on how we can how we can reduce the fuel consumption so that we can reduce the greenhouse gases. Yes, how we can arrange the process in a very according manner so that it goes in a well-mannered way. You got my point?
Please repeat again, sir.
So the main purpose of the science exhibition project is to introduce or innovative ideas,
yes, sir,
and innovative solutions.
Yes, sir.
Right. So the one that I've already asked, if you are doing the same process 2 times, then is it a good thing?
No, sir.
No, sir. So explain to me, how can we do in a one process way? What changes can we make so that the waste comes in their own perspective factories?
If we want to make it as perfect, then we need some more vehicle. As for the car, as for the recycling factor, it need also a 1 vehicle, and for the biogas we need 1 vehicle, and it need more vehicles, sir.
So is that important?
What, sir?
Is that important?
Yes, sir. It is important, sir.
Why is it important?
Because if we throw the garbage here and there, then the water will be pollution, get pollution, sir. Get polluted.
Okay. So last question, your project,
yes, sir,
what will it benefit in the real world scenario?
If this project is in the real world, then we will get a clean environment. and we can get as from biogas as we get as a limited use of as for gas and for recycled factor like metal and plastic, another as metal into converted into metal and plastic into converted into plastic.
Okay, so my last question before. So what gas does a biogas plant produce?
Methane gas, sir.
So what is the chemical formula of methane?
CH4, sir.
Okay, thank you so much.
Teron, and we are from HDP High School.
Okay, so what is the name of your project?
Smart agricultural system.
Okay, so can you please explain me the process?
Sir, his case in party.
Okay, fine. So our process one time touching the no. Are you going to talk?
Smart agriculture म्हणजे non Assam modern chepatirpi ponsi.
Okay, so the process one time. Mana kita lo smart agriculture system akan short.
Kita mungkin use dengan drip system, mungkin kena scarecrow, mungkin food protection, mungkin control greenhouse gas.
So, nanti that scarecrow bukan di. Scarecrow people lo smart agriculture system apa itu?
Mana ada ke aku peran hoki arong kusan lo, kedi lo misalnya pusat kisan kecurung sitangi mungkin sering hundun nanti. Dan semua orang ke soal mungkin letung dina, inilah misalnya parti ko, dan suka lapan arti buat dia kering sontin ko, bu kecurang itu cilo kering ko.
Aku kok ke la scarecrow doma bente.
Angin.
Are you sure?
Dos tame arti moyang ni tadi tu.
Okay, mechanized tadi. Okay. Angke lasso bag nang lagi heavy. Lasso bag han kopi buku ke.
Labang ye itu kesan lo, also kita jenis selam lo, mana istilah yang selam lo.
Lasso plastik enak dili. Labang kilo buku ke.
Mana son nalu apa ke son han ar.
Amen kopi lo ke lasso plastik kan lain semua lagi.
Greenhouse gas control था.
अरे लासो प्लास्टिक amen kopi lo ke merah yang semua है. Tadi sih lasso. Terus amen lainnya dia apa? Plastik, polyhouse tu ini, it's called plastic polyhouse. Okay, so nanti kita mau project kau nak explain kan? So kita semua one by one explain ni. Oh, step by step proses.
Manila, Manila, state protection pun nak explain pun. Okay. Manila, idihan paridekan sitamila. Rong rang tekniku ada jantan pertanyaan dia rong rang itu dia gimana? Nasi laso hutan ke itu nasua di poselam lo. Ada jangan te ini ada switch bracket ko hutan an hab cikon cek ko. Ada relu yang sudah ko switch on cikon hab cek itu ko. Kami betul.
Kita motor timat ini lah memang nasua perang.
Wow. Aku ani solo penting lah macam itu.
Okay, good. Okay, next lapang tangan.
Lapang pilih son hang kiri buat ani solo dia temperature है. Kakak kau pasti dah yang dia use.
Okay.
Ini lah bang scarecrow lo lah bang ni lah so cutting bukan kiri.
Okay, lapang yang pilih.
Lapang water tank.
Halah.
House.
Kopi house tu, okay?
Rainwater harvesting pan.
Rainwater harvesting pan.
Pinang junong pack ko, dia kuar genjang tu lah so hor video long kandak teng long tujuh maku.
Okay, pendepan lah proses tempat lang beta. Kalau bang, koson sih yang rainwater harvesting.
Sedang itu melang tang already kita mati. Nasi labang ke water ko masih garden tu dia berkanu garden dia betul di lang tang semua bilang mati kita sahaja. Sedang already stop tang lo yang lah asli on dengan tang lang pun direct itu nak. Aku pakaian itu ya.
Okay, lah drip irrigation itu kan nampak dia lah. Okay.
Implementing system of irrigation.
Okay. So lah non itu lah modern world lang lagi, non itu dah bawa ke non lagi. Dan nama itu masih system apa tu lah mana lah society kan mesti kita ni tu.
Lah bang ini bang kita tumpan ani apa rumah kan terlalu lah kan. Innovator muda ke lah ini old model use tu te innovator muda ke lah ke kalkulate ke. That's not a modern system use of the innovator amunita. Asona kita innovator ke muda ko. Lah bang so advance check ko.
So lah tesi lah ni. Sa isi kita tu popular farmer tu mana kerap tu tu. Apran kan yang sila kamu lekute. People apa ko farmer tu mak crop yang ada titik. Pen growth kita nak jen polo tu dia tu apa ko.
la public haku tumke fertilizer ban ki use ni tumna da ke fertilizer ke use sita labda be a production ka pa oi phalo inubera muni ta kremun po a production ta nang kam
so inubera muni hala ke manpower la di manpower bang api kom de haku ko agriculture no o pia joine si agriculture farmers no han kana hok the dum ke do losses to ko the ko pia joine no what information are they lacking copy information lang itong kaduli jalan itong crop mana kemini limited and loss for that non isi a crop jadi lah bang ini nama dia isi a crop kering jipan kopi pila kenan stop okay angin
Sandri
so what factors affect the growth of the plant like weather hai bang important thing nama dia aku kok kayak komentu si RV jang ini komentu si RV jang jene farmers of China lapen ko plana diseases kopi mata farmers of China la sejene alang tuma cross bank thila piti di la sinonang itum sense nang tuma project apa ke smart agricultural system pun mati di la si kopi hormone je alang tuma introduce lote alang tuma crop lagi mane pilo ayil ke misan
education
okay education lah isi important loh Kapri what technology will you introduce? Okay, very important in a smart agriculture system. Basic lah ini. Non nang lah bang ke, lagi nang ke kau kali mesti apa yang seamless lagi pilo ini. Kapri pilo mana lah teknologi nang kita introduce pun modern technology. Question begini. Ane itu memang modern teknologi kan orang mati. So kopi modern teknologi atru pensi itu melahai diseases hai identify plant diseases hai. So that farmer tu kopi medicine si kipi ni mah atau kacini jipa. Nah tu common this is a common technology. Nah tu phone sana use bono lagi. Phone sana tu use berapa bono lagi. Ini pensi kecing. So now AI aja ini di crops a disease hai ta main ang photo tu kita lo le pute hala so akilo pri a leaves keran pensi kopi disease mana kan mati itu jadi bodi ang te farmer tu laso a crop ha kopi treatment si kipini ma exactly farmer tu chini po ang te alang tu laso te ben action NC alang tu crop yield ba cepat ongun po lale silo then second thing makela tu drone man use modern agriculture system lo hedi la smart agriculture drone na ke one of the main thing lo lata kangjar pong la tum dak hedi identification camera ti ini bujilo bodi pen halai tu len itu so hala ke smart agriculture system lo ke very important mane modern agriculture system lo hedi la thank you so much
okay with this we came here the conclusions of the science exhibition competitions.
Here on the topic of girls' child education. Education is a light to brighten our lives. Everyone on here represented here all they are educated or all are still at their school age. But we are still educated. But on India, so on our own country, we can see in many places like we can see as our own place in Binong district, some of the parents they think only for a male child to be educated. They don't think that for a girl child they also wanted to educate. I have even heard with my own ear that they say like that. And so this is a main reason for me that to bring on the topic of this. So education is not only for us, not only for male child, but it's also for female child. When you are educating a girl's child, you are educating a family. Remember that. And it's also for a cultural and for economic. For some reason, a female child they often face some obstacles like early child marriage, poverty, and poor school facilities, and gender discrimination. Like for example, poor worthy. We can say that worthy. We know about worthy because for the name we know about this poor. A low class family, they does not have enough money to earn to educate their two children. For example, they have two children, but one is male and one is female. They can't educate both child, but they always think about the male child because the male child is the backbone of their family. So they think that female child
Okay, thank you so much.
And my dearest friend, my name is Teron and I come from Holy Faith Academy School at HDP Bajar. I currently study in class 10. Now I would like to deliver my valuable speech in front of you all about believe in yourself. Believe in myself, having a confidence in our own ability, faith and achieve your goal. Focus on self-confidence that it provides and strength to learn from failures and ambitions of success. It is important to breathe, eat and sleep to live. Equally, it is important to believe. Thank you.
In RP, I am from HDP. I study in class 9 at Holy Faith Academy. I came from a nuclear family. Now I would like to deliver my speech in front of you all. My speech is about girl child education. The societal perception that girls are weak and burden of their family, especially in rural underdeveloped areas, should not educate their daughters. But not sending girls for school is very great evil and has many negative consequences. Girls are capable in everything and yet every opportunity is consistently taken away from them throughout their life due to prejudice. Educating girls gives them a chance to improve themselves equal to men in every aspect. No society can progress without its women progressing. Therefore, we must always the value of education of girl child. To conclude, we must always the value of girl child. Thank you for listening to me so attentively.
CEM হলুহেতেন তেনেহলে কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলাৰ সকলো সমস্যাৰ সমাধান কৰিলোহেতেন যিহেতু মই এদিনৰ বাবে কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলাৰ CEM বিৰামহীনভাৱে দায়িত্ব পালন কৰিলোহেতেন কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলাখনৰ পৰিষদৰ সকলো বিভাগৰ মুৰব্বীসকলক তৎকালীনভাৱে নিৰ্দেশনা জাৰি কৰি মাতিলোহেতেন আৰু বিভাগসমূহৰ সমস্যাৰ সমাধানৰ ব্যৱস্থা কৰিলোহেতেন ঠিক তেনেকৈ প্ৰশাসনিক বিষয়ববীয়াসকলক জিলাৰ ভিতৰত চলি থকা অনৈতিক কাৰ্যকলাপসমূহ ৰোধ কৰিবৰ বাবে নিৰ্দেশনা জাৰি কৰিলোহেতেন কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলাখনক চিৰসেউজ আৰু স্বচ্ছ কৰি তুলিলোহেতেন কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলাখনত বসবাস কৰি থকা বিভিন্ন জাতি জনজাতি জনগোষ্ঠীসকলৰ মাজত স্থায়ীভাৱে ঐক্য শান্তি সম্প্ৰীতি অটুট ৰখাৰ নিমিত্তে নীতি নিয়ম তৎকালীনভাৱে প্ৰণয়ন কৰি নিৰ্দেশনা জাৰি কৰিলোহেতেন সৰ্বজন বিদিত আন্তঃৰাজ্যিক সীমা বিবাদৰ স্থায়ী সমাধান কৰিলোহেতেন কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলাখনৰ জনসাধাৰণৰ দীৰ্ঘদিনীয়া পৃথক ৰাজ্যৰ দাবী সমাধানৰ বাবে কেন্দ্ৰীয় গৃহমন্ত্ৰীৰ সৈতে মিলিত হৈ দাবী কৰিলোহেতেন প্ৰশাসনিক ঠিক তেনেকৈ সদশেষত মই মোৰ চমু ভাষণ সামৰণি মাৰিলোঁ ধন্যবাদ
From HDP High School. So today I'm going to deliver a short speech on believe in yourself. Sometimes people feel like they are not good enough. They think others are smarter, stronger, or better. But the truth is, you are capable of more than you think,
every successful person started as a every successful person started as a beginner. They made mistake. They did not know everything.
Say a few words about girls' child education. Girls' education is a fundamental human right and a critical component of sustainable development. Education helps to empower women and fight for gender discrimination. Going to school is essential for girls to grow up and be strong. Educated women can help in their family financially. Education can help girls to be financial independent. There are some people who oppose girls' education. They feel that educating a girl is a wastage of money, but this is absolutely wrong. It is said that if you educate a man, you educate an individual, but if you educate a woman, you educate a family. Education provides girls with knowledge and skill and to make decisions about their life. In olden days, people did not give much importance to girls' education, but in modern age, people realize that girls' education is equally important. No society can progress without its women progressing, and therefore we must actively strive to
life in a beautiful way. So the thing is the power of kindness, and every one of us are very much familiar with the word kindness. You know, kindness is not just a feeling or an action, it is a way of our being. It is about how we treat our dear and dear one and putting others before we put ourselves, listening to them without any judgment and offering a helping hand without any expectation in return. And every one of us have the capability of kindness and the power to make someone's life different in their present day. So let us always try to be a kind person, and to show our kindness we don't need any. Then my dear brothers and sisters, no matter how you look like, what you are, how poor you are, and how bad you are in your studies, kindness makes you the most beautiful person in the world, no matter what you are. Thank you for your kindly intentions, and I really appreciate the opportunity given to me today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Narendra Simpson. Next we have Roma Sharma, which will be followed by Sanminlan Kongsai, Junuka Tinumpi, Risika Intipi, Sarliye Taro, and Antip Inti.
নমস্কাৰ প্ৰথমতে নমস্কাৰ এই সভাত উপস্থিত সকলোকে নমস্কাৰ মোৰ নাম ৰমাসুৰা মই মাঞ্জা সিনিয়ৰ সেকেন্ডাৰী স্কুলৰ পৰা আহিছো আজি মোৰ বিষয়টো হৈছে নাৰী শিক্ষা অতি প্ৰয়োজন নাৰী এজন ছোৱালীয়ে সমাজত নিজক যোগ্যৱান কৰি তোলাৰ একমাত্ৰ মাধ্যমে হৈছে শিক্ষা সমাজত থকা সকলো মানুহকৈ নাৰী শিক্ষা গ্ৰহণ কৰিব নোৱাৰে কিয় নোৱাৰে যদি এজন নাৰীয়ে ইমান কঠোৰ পৰিশ্ৰম কৰিও এজন সন্তানক জন্ম দিব পাৰে তাতে তেওঁ পুৰুষৰ দৰে শিক্ষা গ্ৰহণ কৰিও সফল হ'ব পাৰে সকলো নাৰীয়ে শিক্ষা গ্ৰহণ কৰিব পাৰে ৰাজস্থান হাৰিয়ানাৰ দৰে এটা বিখ্যাত দেশ ৰাজ্য হোৱাৰ পাছতো তাত নাৰী জন্ম হোৱাৰ লগে লগে হত্যা কৰি দিয়া হয় কিয় তাত ভাবে যে নাৰী এটা বুজ কেতিয়াও নাৰী বুজ হ'ব নোৱাৰে যদি নাৰী বুজ হ'লহেঁতেন এতিয়া বৰ্তমান ভাৰতৰ ৰাষ্ট্ৰপতি দ্ৰৌপদী মুৰ্মুৰ মহিলা নহ'লহেঁতেন নাৰী শিক্ষা দিয়া অতি প্ৰয়োজন কিয়নো এই কঠোৰ সমাজত নাৰী নিজক যোগ্যৱান কৰি তোলাৰ একমাত্ৰ মাধ্যমে হৈছে শিক্ষা নাৰী শিক্ষা অতি প্ৰয়োজন সমাজ আৰু দেশৰ উন্নতিৰ বাবে নাৰী শিক্ষা অতি প্ৰয়োজন এজন নাৰীয়ে সমাজক আগুৱাই নিয়াৰ বাবে এক গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ ভূমিকা পালন কৰে প্ৰজন্মৰ শিক্ষা প্ৰয়োজন কিয়নো এজন সন্তানক শিক্ষা দিয়াৰ বাবে তেওঁৰ মা শিক্ষিত হ'ব লাগিব ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰী শিক্ষা গ্ৰহণ কৰিব লাগে ধন্যবাদ
Secondary school. Today I'm going to say the topic, speech on the topic believe in yourself. Sometimes people feel like they are not good enough, and I also feel the same way whenever I lose.
We always think others are smarter, stronger, or better. But the truth is we are not capable of more than we think. Every successful person starts as a beginner. They don't know in the first place. They learn step by step. They make mistakes, but they keep trying. For example, if you want to achieve something, you must believe in yourself. For example, I also think that at least I will get third position in the solo competition, but I lose, and that's okay. And it's okay. It's okay to be lose. Sometimes we may win, sometimes we may lose. If not today, then tomorrow. If not this year, then next year. Thank you.
In class 8, I came from Rosina Secondary Teron School. Today I am going to speak on topic about girl child right education, importance and challenge. Education is the right of every child, whether boys or girls. It helps the people to grow. It helps the people to grow, become independent and live a better life. But in many places, girl does not get the chance to study as boy. This is a big problem in our society. Educating a girl is very important in our society. When a girl is educated, she can take care of herself, her family, and help to improve the progress of a nation. Holy Academy School and DP Bazaar. Now I would like to deliver my valuable speech in front of you all. The power of kindness, reflected on why kindness should be central to our life in 2025, and that connects us, regardless of background, culture, or belief. An act of kindness, whether large or small, can transform relationships or even whole communities. In our schools, kindness prevents bullying, builds a sense of communities. Myself, Majuli Rongparpi of Standard 11, represents Pranab Jubilee Senior Secondary School. So today I am standing here to give a wonderful speech on the topic of belief in yourself. Believing in yourself means having confidence in your abilities and trusting that whatever difficulties or challenges that has come on your way, you have the courage and the skill to overcome them. If you don't believe in yourself, no one else is going to believe in you. So, we all have dreams. Some are big, some are small. Though our dream may be small or big, it doesn't matter. When you believe in yourself, you can achieve everything for what you are. Also, self-belief starts from within you. It doesn't depend on any other. If you are depending on others, that means you don't have faith in you. You have to stand with your 2 feet, then you can achieve your goals. Moreover, in conclusion, I would like to say that stay positive, try your work again and again, and then you can achieve your goal at last. Let the fear not control you, because we all have fear. Somebody may say that you are bad, you are not good, but if we think in positive and we try our work hard, then what is that? We can say that we are stronger than we think. We are smarter than we believe. In this way, we have to follow the rules so that every individual has the opportunity in order to success their life. Thank you.
Thank you, Madhuri.
12 standard from Pranab Jubilee Senior Secondary School. So today I'm standing here to deliver a speech on believe in yourself. So the first step to success is believe in yourself. It's not about arrogance, but knowing you can overcome obstacles. You should not say, I cannot. Instead of that, you should say, I can. And it is the only way you can achieve your dream. Believing in yourself will build the courage and will also have the inner strength to overcome obstacles. And it is the only step you can achieve your goal and have your big dream, and you will be call yourself as a successful person. So at last I would like to say, you are capable of achieving your dream. So believe in yourself, stay focused, and keep moving forward. With this, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you.
Thank you.
In my topic, the youth are often called backbone of the nation. This is because they progress, energy, enthusiasm, imaginative, and willingness to bring about positive changes. The progress and futures of a country rest largely in the hands of these young people. Young men are full of innovative ideas. If given proper guidance and opportunity to them, they can bring progress in the fields like science, technology, sport, and culture. Indian history is full of examples where youth like Swami Vivekananda, Bhagat Singh, and Rani Lakshmibai. They play a major role in the freedom struggle and social reform. Today, our country needs responsible and educated youth who are not only focused on their own career but are also aware for social issues like poverty, illiteracy, and corruption. Youth can volunteer their social work, spread awareness about important issues, and contribute to the welfare of society. Most importantly, youth must use their voting right wisely and participate actively in the democratic process. They should promote unity, peace, and harmony among the people of different backgrounds. In conclusion, in my topic, I would like to say that youth have immense power to shape the nation. If we, the young generation, stay true to our values, work hard, and dedicate our talent to the development of our country, India will surely become a stronger and better nation. If among the people, if among the youth come together with one
participants present over here. I am Srishti Guru, and I am standing here to represent my school, Top Visionary Residential School. And the topic which I am going to speak is about girl child marriage, its importance and its challenges. As we can see in India, girls' education is not given so much of importance. Girls are letting to stay at home, and boys are like they are going in school, they are developing, they are playing football and all. But for girls, parents, they say that girls should stay at home because of their negative thinking that girls will be like raped and all. But still, in India, now we can see that the education levels are going up. They are taking the step of education. So I'm going to share about some importance of girl child education. If we educate girls, girls can do more work than boys. Like they can take part in social progress and gender equality. It increases the participations of girls in families and taking decisions of communities and economic structures. And then education enables girls to fight against the social norms and stereotypes that we are facing now. Even me, I am a girl. I face so many difficulties when I go to school. So that's why girls' education is very important. And poverty alleviations. Girl education is important because nowadays girls, we can see that even in trains, in petroleum stations and all, there are girls. Girls can earn more wages than boys nowadays. As we can see, girls are large in number and boys are less in number. So we have to give them education. Girls can earn more wages. They can be more powerful than boys. Girls are not smaller than boys and boys are not greater than girls. We all are equal. So this leads educated. They know much more about their safety. They can say how people are thinking of them. They can learn how people are thinking of them, and they can secure themselves by everybody. And then educated women and all, they are much.
First of all, I would like to thank our program organizers, Sir Binong, Teron, and also to the judges and teachers from different schools, and to all my dear friends. Today I'm going to speak about if I were the CEM of Karbi Anglong for one day. If I were the CEM of Karbi Anglong for one day, first, I will fulfill the dream of Karbi Anglong. Anyone knows what is the dream of Karbi Anglong? A separate statehood. I hope everyone knows that. First, I will give them a separate statehood, because it is the dreams of all the Karbi Anglong and the Karbi peoples. Secondly, I will open a school for a village where is undeveloped. Because education is the most powerful weapon which we can use it to change the world. And also, education breeds confidence, confidence breeds hope, and hope breeds peace. So, education is my first attempt. In every village, there should be a school for students. And secondly, I will go to the hospitals in every village and check either the facilities is good or not. Because of the facilities is not good. Because of the facilities is not good in the hospital. Some of them has to go away from their parents, or some of the parents have to go away from the children. So, my third attempt is that. And we know, all the Karbi Anglong, we all know, and all the whole world we know. During winter we are struggling for water. Everyone knows that. And also without water we cannot live in this earth. Because water we have to drink. Without food we can live. But without water we cannot. And I will give every home, each village, every village, a ring well. Because till today, some of our parents, we see them going and fetching water a miles from our home. When I see that, it breaks my heart. Because why our parents should struggle? We should help our parents instead of we should let them stay at home because they are looking after us. So, I will provide. And then, every village, we know that during rainy season, the road is not good. It's muddy. And also it's also very problem to the students. Because when it gets wet, the road used to be very muddy and sticky. So it is a big problem for the students and also for the villagers to walk by. So I will provide a good road for them, because road is also very necessary for our daily life. Because if anyone is sick, I hope everyone is aware that because of the road conditions, some pass away or some have gone to the place where there is no more life. So I will provide a road with a good condition. And also I will give a midday lunch for all the students of the school, because some of the parents, they cannot provide food because their conditions are not good. And also they are from very far. They might not have breakfast and come to school. So I'll provide a midday lunch for them. So I end my speech here. So thank you all.
Thank you so much. I'm Teron from Top Visionary Residential School. Next we have
their life. It is being caring and helping towards their words. Another act of kindness like smile and a kind word or helping a friend can make a big difference. Kindness has a great power if we are kind. It's make the world a happier place. It's bring peace and build good friendship. Good friendship.
Everyone present here and to all my fellow beings and all the teachers coming from over the Borjan Institute. Today I am standing in front of you to take this great opportunity as that even I take this speech. So the title of my speech, the topic of my speech is the topic is believe in yourself. So everyone should believe in yourself, because without believing in yourself you can't achieve any success. As once you start setting your goal, if you don't have belief in yourself, you can't success it. As you can see, you start yourself by you can't do it, because firstly you will see yourself as you can't do it, and then you will keep on going, keep on trying, then you will see how do I do it. After going through all this, you will see yourself as I will do it, and finally you will see yourself as I have did it. And if you don't believe in yourself, you won't have your confidence, and you won't look smart, because believing in yourself make you have confidence and look smart and be great like a soldier. Because without believing in yourself, nothing is possible. As everyone may judge you, but if you believe in yourself, what does everyone says will not affect you. As if you believe in yourself, others what says they don't matter, but what you do will always matter. As soon as you start believing yourself, you will see yourself as a great success. From the moment you believe yourself, you will see your bright future. As you keep on believing, you will keep on succeeding. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
People didn't give much importance to girls' education, but in modern age, people have realized that by not educating girls has negative consequences. They feel educating girls is a waste of money and a burden to the family. Educated women are helping the families financially. No society can progress without women progressing. So we must actively strive to educate girls' child. To conclude, we must always value the education of girls' child. It is said that if we educate a man, we educate an individual. But if you educate a woman, you educate a family. With this, I end my speech. Thank you everyone for listening me patiently.
Representing the School of High Mountain Senior Secondary School. Today, I would like to deliver a speech on belief in yourself. To believe in one's own self is very important. Believing in yourself is like laying the foundation of successful and fulfilling life. Self-belief gives you the courage to take risks, learn from your failures, persevere through difficult times. It is the confidence to know that you have the strength and potential to achieve your goals, even when the world doubts you. It gives you the confidence to pursue your goals and the resilience to overcome obstacles. Embracing your unique abilities, learning from your failures, and taking risks are essential steps in this process, as your self-belief is crucial for achieving your potential and making an impact. If you never know, if you never try, when you doubt your ability, you'll never know your potential. Remember, believing in yourself is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, but it's how you respond that matters. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you.
On the stage, there are judges and there are other talented people all around us. And in this moment, it is so easy to feel. It is so easy to look at someone else and think, are they better than me? That force is believing in yourself. Believing in yourself, it's not just a nice thought. It's not a gentle thought. It's a declaration you make to the world and to yourself that I'm capable, I'm worthy, and I will not be denied. Do you think let Bird sing in tea never fell down as a word tirelessly to empower his people against the generation of challenges? Believe in yourself. It's not just a nice thought. You should believe in yourself. You should never believe in others. You should just think. You should believe what you do. You should believe what you speak. You should never be you should be confident. If you believe in yourself, then only you will succeed. Thank you.
Miss Priya, I am from Global Wisdom English School. I study in class 9. The topic of my speech is importance of educating a girl child. According to throughout history, women and girls have faced many difficulties. But as women and girls have faced many difficulties, standing in front of you to deliver a short speech on the topic is why educating a girl child is everything for Assam. My name is Manisha Rajgiri. I am the student of Global Wisdom English School. So today I want you all to picture a girl. She is not in Guwahati, perhaps not in Difu, but yes, she is in a remote village on the hills of Karbi Anglong. In one hand, she carries a pot of water. She walked 2 kilometers to fetch. On the other hand, what if she is carrying a book? So, this is the questions that define the future of Assam. Educating a girl child is not only important, it's also needed. So, there is a famous saying that if you educate a man, you educate an individual. But if you educate a woman, you educate generation. So, if a girl is educated, she does not get a job. She ensures that her entire family is healthier. She breaks the crucial cycle of poverty and becomes an economic contributor. Thank you.
Parents and their friends. Myself, Domika MPP of Milda Higher Secondary School is going to give a speech on CM of Karbi Anglong for one day. If I were the chief executive member CM of Galbi Anglong district for one day, I will strive to make a meaningful difference in the lives of the people. Galbi Anglong with its rich cultural heritage and natural resources. Natural resources have immense potential that need to be harnessed for sustainable development. Firstly, my focus. Work promoting basic infrastructure such as road, healthcare, and education. Many remote areas in Galbi Anglong still lack proper connectivity and essential services. By ensuring that better road, healthcare, and healthcare facilities. Education is the foundation for progress. So I will prioritize building and school training teachers provides
Respected judges, chief guests, myself, Lord Stinky, and I came from Serdhun English High School, and I'm studying on Standard 10. Today my topic is about if I were the CM of one day. As CM for a day, I prioritize our culture. Thank you.
Always think that you can do better than others, as there is no one in this world who can help you. The problem occur in your life, the responsibility is yours. As in this world we born alone and we will go alone. As you all wonder why the birds can fly very high. As because the bird believes its own wings. As like the same as believe in yourself. Whenever you see darkness, there is an extraordinary light waiting for you to burn the light brighter. As there is a motivation from a Brownlee that says that nobody believes in you, but you lost again and again. The lights are start off, but you are still looking at your dreams, reviewing everything and saying yourself is not over until I win. Like the same, competitive yourself from this wall. This wall is always lagging. This wall is always scrolling you, because when you wear an expensive clothes also, they will think that you are showing off. When you wear a simple clothes, they all thought that you don't have any sense on wearing a light clothes. When you go and help others, they will thought that you are act of being kind. When you get success, they will thought that this is because of your love. But when you fail, they all will thought as I know they can't do it. Like the same, this wall will always scroll you. So don't listen to the others and just believe in yourself. As once you believe in yourself, no one can stop you. Nothing is impossible. Like the same, just believe in your trust. Trust yourself. Search search your talent in your heart. Tell yourself that no one is better than me. Say that I can do it better than everything. From that, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you.
Moments in life when the world doubts you, when people say you can't, and even your own word whisper, maybe I'm not good enough. But that's the time when you exactly go into the mirror and say yourself, I can do it. Yes, I can. I believe in myself. Believing in yourself does not mean thinking you are perfect. It means thinking that even everything seems possible, you believe in yourself that you can do it. Think about it, about great leaders like APJ Abdul Kalam. If he had believed that he is just a poor boy from Rameshwaram, would he have become the missile man of India? Think about Mary Kom. If she had listened to people who told that boxing isn't for women, would she have become a world champion? Think about great leaders, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg. If they have not believed in themselves, would have they become so great? in their life? No. All of them had one common power. It's not luck, not money, not anything else, rather than belief, self-belief. But let's be honest, self-belief isn't always easy. There will be times when you'll fail, when people will doubt you, when people will laugh, when door will be closed in front of your eyes. But that exactly the moment you have the choice, believe. Belief becomes a choice to keep going even when everything seems against you. So, your signature is your confidence, your determination is your voice, and your belief is your superpower. So to everyone sitting here today, I want to say, believe in your dreams even if they seem impossible. Believe in your journey even if it's slow. Believe in yourself because you're your own greatest investment. As Helen Keller once said, optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Let me tell you something personal. We all have dreams. We all have fears. Fear when we are going to do any new step in life. While coming here, I was feeling very fear inside me. But I believe in myself that I can do better. Everyone has taken this topic, believe in yourself. But to everyone, believing in yourself means different. For me, believing in myself does not mean that you are perfect. It means you have to learn every day. You have to become greater from the next day of yourself. You cannot be your best version, but you can be your better version of yesterday. So today, everyone, I want to say that make a promise to yourself. You will never let your fear stop you. You will never let your failure define you, and you will never wait for anyone else to believe in yourself. You will first believe in yourself. When you start believing in yourself, the world notice. Things getting changed. You speak differently. You walk differently. You talk differently. At that moment, world will not be that. You are something else.
Thank you. Thank you, Krishna. Right? As your 3 minutes time is up.
Wonderful opportunity to us. My name is Chris Chetri and I am from Dilai Higher Secondary School, and today I am going to speak a few lines on the topic of role of youth in shaping India's future. As we are all standing in a threshold of new era, so it is important that the youth should play a crucial role. We are all the youths of our generation. If we didn't take any initiative to improve our nation would be lagging behind. So we should focus on improving our own nation. We should keep the belief that we are the youth, we should develop our nation. The youths are also known as the powerhouse. We have the power to change the generation. We have the power to change the mindset. For that, first of all we need is a good education. A good education helps the youth to develop a good mindset in themselves, which helps them to develop the nation in a very proper way. The student are also called as a gem or a diamond of a nation. The youth are the one who are the future generation leader, but are also the present day change maker. The youth can take a step forward and make a change in the world. There are a lot of things, but unfortunately, saying a drawback, most of the youths are engaged in drugs nowadays. But we should quit that at the moment, and we should keep focusing on ourselves. And we should keep focusing on developing our nation. Most of the times you have been hearing that, oh, China has got 9 gold medals. Brazil has got 7 gold medals. But why can't India? Because our youth are not so fascinating in Olympics. So we should focus on not only education. A single sheet of paper can't decide our future. We are all perfect in different fields. We should focus ourselves. We should bring a quite of change. We should focus that where are we perfect. We should focus on that. We should try to bring it a change. And moreover, we should try to change the mindset of the old people who think that youth are just a waste of time. And moreover, people say that mobile phone is harmful. But with the help of mobile phone, the youth get most of their knowledge from the mobile phone. So it is a very important thing. Youth are also the future. And I am from Dilai High School. So today
today in this speech competition, my topic is about believe in yourself. So believe in yourself is the foundations of achieving your dreams, overcoming challenges and reaching your full potential. When you believe in yourself, you are more likely to take risks, resilient and motivate to success your dreams. When you believe in yourself, you are more likely to take risks. Believing in yourself doesn't mean you are perfect. It means you trust your abilities, judgment, and potential. So how can you cultivate self-belief? Point number 1, focus on your strengths. Identify your talents, skills, and accomplishments. Point number 2, set achievable goals. Break down big goals into smaller, manageable steps. Point number 3, practice positive self-talk. Encourage yourself with affirmations and supportive inner dialogues. Point number 4, surround yourself with positivity. Build a network with supportive people who believe in you. And point number 5, learn from failures. Use setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. So today I live with a challenge. Believe in yourself even when you feel uncertain. Believe in yourself when others doubt you. So one good thought is there that remember all things are possible for those who believe. यानी सब कुछ मुमकिन है जो खुद पर भरोसा रखते हैं. और मेरा पापा भी हमेशा मुझे कहते थे कि तुम जितना भगवान पे भरोसा करते हो ना, तुम्हें खुद पर भरोसा करना चाहिए. क्योंकि जिंदगी में आप चैलेंजेस फेस करेंगे तो आपके साथ कोई नहीं आएगा. आपको खुद उस चैलेंजेस को आपको खुद फेस करना है. आपको ये नहीं सोचना है कि ये मुझसे नहीं हुआ. आपको ये सोचना है कि ये मैं कर सकता हूँ. I can do it. So if I make a mistake, then forgive me, and I conclude my short speech. Have a nice day. That's all. Thank you.
Competitive world. Yet, as Mark Twain famously said, kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. It is a universal language that transcends all boundaries, spoken not with words, but with action and intention. Furthermore, practicing kindness benefits both the giver and the receiver. When we are kind to others, our brain releases feel-good chemicals like serotonin and oxytocin, leading to a phenomenon known as the helper high. In a world filled with challenges, kindness is the antidote to cynicism and negativity. It is the force that brings society together, as the Dalai Lama said, when be kind, when thank you all. Kindness is one of the most important things that we can give to others. A being kind word or action can make a big difference.
Believing in yourself is very important in the belief in yourself, because life is a journey. We face in a problem, all the problems to alone, to finding a solution. In the journey is very important in our life, because without journey is no matter in our life. This is very important. Without journey is not matter to work anything, because failure also very to make our confidence, because failure is very important. Without thank you.
You one of the most important first, which is your potential. Your potential. Believe in yourself, because you have the capability to achieve greatness. You have the capability to achieve greatness. Your dream, no matter how small or big, but keep going. Your dream, no matter how small or big, but
are very glad to receive our chief guest, and also on behalf of all the students, all the teachers, and all the organizers, we welcome him on this grand first Borjan Education Mega Event. Okay, we will felicitate our chief guest. After some time, we will have to, we would like to have a Okay, hi, Dr. Numal Mumin, Deputy Speaker, Assam Legislative Assembly. Richard Erika, Alang Lifan, Man Kito Karbi, Apropen, okay, hi, Binong, Teron, Pankar, Choji, Pansi, Chunri, Ponlo. Lapa Alang Lifan, Mira Pupen, Sadamika, Choji, Panchunri, Ponlo. He will be felicitated by none other than our lovely Binong Teron. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, then for this moment, I would like to request our chief guest, Dr. Numal Mumin, to say, to give a speech about the first Borjan Education Mega Event.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Binong Teron, the Assam Gaurav, Teron. And I'm very glad to be part of this first Borjan Mega Education Event. So congratulations to all of you, this particularly organizer Teronji, for this wonderful event. It has really given me an immense pleasure to have our students, our future, to meet and have few words with them. So really, it is a great day because the competition, I heard that speech competition was there, and this exhibition and any other drawing competition also over. So essay competition is also completed. There is a wonderful exhibition in front of me, so I can imagine that how students are interested and they did their great homework. And this way we can improve our education, our knowledge, we can gather more knowledge and experience as well. So everybody enjoying or not? Happy? Yes. Raise your hand who is not happy. That means all are happy, isn't it? Yes. So, have you had your meal? No. Lunch not yet? No. Oh, it is too late. Very sorry. I came late because of some other engagement. I could able to reach a little late. Please apologize me. And this event, how this organizer Teron is doing, and he is trying his level best, out of the way he is doing, and everybody should appreciate him. Our government already acknowledged him and awarded this Assam Gaurav Award because of his dedication and contribution towards the society. Now the society become very selfish And the individual become more selfish. In this selfish world, my brother is doing selfless service. Give him a big applause. Really, our appreciation is not enough because the area, the district, the mentality, the environment, the condition in our area is not like that. That one will rise and contribute little for education. And in that time, he had the courage enough to start this coaching institute. Now this mega event, education mega event, this will give a new direction in our area. So I congratulate all the students who have participated. This is the first time. I thought 20-30 people will be there, 50 students will be there. The participation is such a huge one, it really enjoyable, and all the attraction was drawn here. And I believe that the students, we give a big lecture. Thus, you are our future. You are the leader. But in practical, it is very difficult. When you pursue your studies, when there is a problem monetarily, no one is going to help you. This is my personal experience. So, as a son of a farmer, I also gone through those tragedy days. Even after my SS Science from Dipu Gov College, I did not have enough money to pursue my studies. So 3 years dropout student I was. And that 3 years also I used to engage myself in farming. Luckily, God was very pleased to me, and my paternal aunt, she took me to Guwahati and she sponsored my entire education. And I could able to pursue my MBBS degree there. So that toughest time in my life I have come across. That's why I don't want my children that you should not have such hurdle in your studies. Many of you know, but many of you do not know. For the last 9.5 years, I am providing scholarship to the students and financial assistance for the patients. So far, almost 8-9 crore I have sanctioned till date. And I am trying my best that students should not suffer. But this is a very tragedy for me that most of the students, they don't know. Well, last 1 month back, I had the opportunity to interact with the students of Delhi Higher Secondary School. I told them that the poor students give me application so that I can provide them little. But not yet the school authority gave me those applications. Even if you try to help, if you do not get the support, then it is very painful for me. I know how difficult for the students. I know how tough time for our students, because 80% of the parents, they don't have the awareness about the education. The parents, they don't know how to groom, how to guide their students. Even sometimes they have to fight with their parents to attend the classes. The parents, they used to tell, no, today you don't go. Rather you go to market and sell this and that. So that our house can run with money. This tragedy we are having. Many of you, maybe 95% of you are engaged in farming. It is very good to have farming. I was also farming 8 years in my school life. From class 7 onwards, I used to go to paddy field for plowing. Class 10, till the examination, we are free. After giving an examination that time, June, July. If exam is finished in July, June, then the next day onwards you have to go to paddy field again. You are engaged in the cultivation. So this is a common. 99% of the rural population students have gone through this experience. It is not that we are dull, we don't know anything. But in reality, we do not know how to use our talent. This is why this coaching and all is required. Teaching is not enough in your school so that you can learn everything. That's why extra coaching is required. But I think if you are very much serious, that extra coaching is not required. Some trick is required that teacher can give you in a classroom. But sometimes that teacher who is teaching you, they don't have that much of knowledge how to teach you. That is the tragedy of education system. In Karbi Anglong, it is very painful to acknowledge that 95% of the government school, they don't have adequate teachers. Every school, 5, 10, 7, 11, 15 teachers are posts are vacant. This is the tragedy. If this college and the schools, so much of vacancy of teacher post, how our children will grow, how our children will learn. This is a serious issue. We have to address. Being in government, it gives me more pain to say in a public forum. We feel ashamed that our Karbi Anglong, the teachers are not adequate and enough. So this is a very serious issue we need to address as early as possible. Many a time with Chief Minister, CM, I raised this issue, but till now I am not successful. Let's hope God will give the wisdom to understand them that what is the core issue of Karbi Anglong. Tomorrow they may be annoyed with me by this proclamation, but I don't care. What is true, we need to speak out. And one belief in our district, in our area, that I am a tribal. Tribal means I have a quota. Quota means I now need to study more. This psychopath, this psychology is destroying us. And I have a strong belief that I am a tribal, I have less brain than others. No, it is wrong. God has given 40 billion brain cells to everybody. 40 billion. 40 billion brain cells is given to a ST, SC, OBC, Brahmin, general. God has given equally, but we are not utilizing it. This quota system, many advocate it, but I say, because of this quota system, we tribal people are lagging behind. Tomorrow, maybe some people will scold me, but it is true. Whom this quota system is required, this backward, the area where education system is not reached to the people, they require this quota. But actually, who is availing this quota? Those students, their parents, either businessmen, doctor, engineer, politician, those who have got money, those who have the capacity to pursue their study in Guwahati, in Delhi, in Bangalore, in the big cities. And they are availing this system. You go through and find out quota system who is availing. Those students is studying in a good college. How many people they can afford to put their children in Pranab Vidyapit? No. Tuition fees, never, they cannot. Even I could not. I was a student of the government school, class 1 to MD medicine. Every time I choose the government. My question is that people are telling that government school is not good, private is good. Is psychology is destroying us. Every people, they try to put their kids in the private institute. Private institute. Rather than putting them in the government institute. Why? Because even the teacher of a government school, they do not put their children in the government school, they put in the private. Why? Because this government institute, they fail to deliver their duties miserably. If we say like that, we should make every college private. And whatever salary we are giving to the teachers, that should be sponsored for the poor people. This is one solution. Or otherwise, government school make it as per. Otherwise, government school teachers, they don't teach properly. Only 3rd division, 2nd division, hardly 1 or 2 first division. Result is miserably poor. Private school, 10,000, 12,000 the teachers they get in private school, all of them are first division. Not even 2nd division also. Many private schools. That's why people are attracted to the private school. It is not that government schools are not good. Still, few government schools are there. They don't get admission. From the morning 4 a.m. they used to queue for this admission form. That example also there in government school. But it is unfortunately that majority of the government school, they don't perform well. That's why people are going towards the private school. It is very painful. The people who used to give admission in the private school after 5, 6, they cannot pursue. 2, 3 kids, one house. Parents are not equipped for their studies. They cannot afford. What happened? Drop out. Now they are in the different medium. Government school is different medium. They don't come back to the government school. So what happened? The future of the students is gone. What they will do? Nothing. Another few years later, they will go and find and one AK-47. And they will go to the jungle and they will become terrorists. To prevent that, we have to take very urgent step to uplift the education system. Otherwise, there is a darkness ahead of us. Our students are doing very good. They have the capacity. It is not that they are tribal, they cannot do. They can do. Only thing is that you have to think yourself, I can do it. You should have the self-confidence that I can do it. I am the best. Don't think that you are the tribal or you have the quota system, you will get something extra. No, don't think like that. You think, I am a human being. NASA scientists also human being. You are also human being. IAS, IPS officers, they are also human being. You are also human being. One human can do. Why cannot I? Why cannot me? Why cannot we? Challenge is there. Take the challenges. Unless and until your mindset is competitive or challenging, you cannot pursue. Do not compare with the others. Compare always with you. If you compare with the topper one, you'll get depression. You'll be depressed. What do? You compete yourself. This examination, what percentage of mark I got it? Suppose now you are getting 40%. Next examination your target is 60%. Next examination you are getting 60%. Next target is 80%. You are competing with yourself. Compete with yourself. Then you can improve. If you compete with the others, oh, he got it 90%, I got only 70%. You will be depressed. But if you compete with you, I got 50% last time, now 60%, now 70%, next time I'll get 80%, 90% like that. There is no shortcut. If it is shortcut from nursery, direct jump to medical MBBS and engineering courses, isn't it? That's why nursery, pre-nursery, KG, class 1, class 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 12, then graduation, master degree, isn't it? Why it is step by step? The learning process is like that. One day you cannot learn. Human being, human psychology, human brain, human physiology is like that. That's why the education is going on. Sometimes some people are extraordinary. They class 5 standard, they can solve class 10 standard problems. Exceptional, there may be. But human being, step by step will go. So, this system, no shortcut. Study properly. Sincerely, you have to do. Punctuality, it is one of the important. And consistency, it is very important. What do you do? Morning, put you dress up, breakfast, then go. Your parents, many a time, they have to wake you out. To wake you up, they have to ring many a time in your knock, many a time in your door. Then only you get up. Then you go to school, come back, having some food and all. Then evening playing, feeling tired, go to bed. Morning again, monotonous. This life will not make you a successful person. How many hours there in one day? 4 hours? 24 hours in a day. You follow the rule of 8. Divide 24 hours by 8. How much? 3. So divide one day. There's 24 hours into 3 parts. 8, 8, and 8. 8 hours, 8 hours, 8 hours. 8 hours you sleep. All are happy. 8 hours I am getting to sleep. Getting time, it is 8 hours to sleep. 8 hours sleep. Our is 4 hours is enough. But your minimum 6 hours. So 8 hours sleep. Then 8 hours work. 8 hours work means morning you get up, help your parents, then clean your clothes, that is your duty. Don't allow your parents to do that. You have to learn that also. Then school, college. How many hours you spend in your college? 5 hours. So 5 hours, that means 3 hours still there. Then 3 hours, 1 hour, you're fooding and all. And bathing. Half an hour, take bath and all. Within 10 minutes, I used to take bath. Khatam. Then, if sports, within that 3 hours, 1 hour or 1.5 hours to the school, then you help your parents in farming, whatever it is there, for half an hour or 1 hour, whatever is possible. So 8 hours is working, including your school classes. Now, how much is left? 8 hours left. Now you study 8 hours. Okay? 8 hours you have to study. 8 hours sleep, 8 hours work, 8 hours study. If you start from tomorrow, I give you guarantee that all of you will get 85 to 90%. That is the magic of your success. But be careful. आज 8 घंटा पढ़ लिया, कल 2 घंटा पढ़ लिया, नहीं होगा. No. You have to study 8 hours. एकदम continuously, consistently, without fail. If festival is there, you spend 3 days or 4 days. How many hours accumulate? If it is 4 days, you spend without study, how many hours accumulate? 32 hours is accumulated. Whether you get Sunday, holiday, this 32 hours you have to fill up. Puja 2 days. How many hours? 16 hours. Negative. So 16 hours you have to make up. When there is holiday, there is fourth Saturday, second Saturday. At that day, school hours is not there. At that time you study. 8 hours plus 4-5 hours. So 12-15 hours you have to study when there is the holiday. You have to adjust. 8 hours means 8 hours. 365 days into 8. How you make up it is up to you. Holiday you spend, then that, I don't say that you don't enjoy holiday and all. Movie also you go to movie. Allowed. No problem. So movie ke liye agar 4 घंटा चला गया, that 4 hours you have to adjust it in the holidays. Festival, holidays you have to make. Puja, Bihu, Christmas, whatever it is, whatever time you have spent, you have to make up. Mind it, 8 hours you study. If you follow whatever I am saying, within 10-15 years, most of you will become IAS officer, IPS officer. That is my guarantee. Whatever I am telling, you have to follow that. 8, 8, 8. Understand? Will you be able to do it? Yes. You have confidence? Yes. Do you have confidence? Yes. I don't think so. Shall I ask your teacher that he will monitor how many hours you are studying? How many hours spending? Isn't it? You take things are very easy. Don't complicatedly you think. This is mathematics very difficult. This is science very difficult. Don't think. Just try to understand what is there. what is written, what is in the book, what is the formula. You try to understand. Once you understand that one, then everything will become easy. Everything is become easy. This book is written by somebody else. It's not came from heaven. He is not alien, but he was also a human being. He may be alive or he died, but his book was written by human being. If a human being can write a book, why not you can understand? You also can understand. You think that I am the writer, I am writing, then books will be very easy for you. Imagine that this poem, this story, this medicine, this formula, I am inventing. This is me who is writing. You think like that? Then it will be very big, very easy for you. Understand what point I am trying to tell you? Very easily you take. Don't think that they very tough. किसके लिए tough होता है? जो पढ़ता नहीं है. It will become tough for the one who is not studying, who is not spending his time, valuable time in their study. So spend your time with the study. Sincerity, hard work, punctuality give you the strength to become a good student, a successful student. Sincerity and hard work is the key of success. ताला खुलने के लिए चाबी चाहिए ना? Sincerity and hard work is the key of success. So, be sincere, be hard work. Then, success is in your hand. Success को खींच के लाओ, पीछे पीछे मत दौड़ो. जितना दौड़ेगा इतना भागेगा. उसको काबू कर दो. Success आना ही पड़ेगा. So that challenge you should take. So it will become easy. When you become IAS officer, it will be very easy to give dialogue to the people. ऐसे करो, ऐसे करो. करने में तो मुश्किल है बेटा. हमने भी पढ़ के आया है. 36 hours continuously I used to study when I was pursuing for MD medicine. 36 hours. Not sleeping. Only eating. Eating also in the table. हॉस्टल में हॉस्टल बॉय को बोला था खाना लेके आओ. खाली टॉयलेट जाने के लिए टाइम लेता था वो भी. That time तो I was very quick. 3-4 hours में टॉयलेट खत्म. Or 3-4 minutes. Even 2 minutes also. निकल गया हो गया सब. So you count your time. When you go to toilet, how much time I should spend in the toilet. When you take bath, you also count how many minutes I will spend in bathroom. When you have your toothbrush, count it. How many seconds, how many minutes I will take. Every second, every minute, every hour is important. Because in this world, you can get everything except what? Time. You cannot buy time. Today, now it is 3:30. Oh, half an hour I spend, na? That's it. Half an hour. 3:30. Today is 26th of October. 3:30. Tomorrow you won't get. In your lifetime, you won't get. 2025, 26 October, 3:30. You'll never get. Time is very important, very precious. This is our enemy. Time is our enemy. But you have to learn how you can make your enemy as your friend. You make your enemy your friend. Time is your enemy. But you try to make enemy as your friend. Chalo, initially it will be very difficult. When you become punctual, sincere, then everything will be. 8 hours, 10 hours also you can study, 12 hours, 16 hours, 18 hours also you can study. Once you are interested, you are involved in the subject, then it will be very attractive and it will not allow you to sleep. अरे चलो थोड़ा एक चैप्टर और पढ़ दे, 2 sums और करके सोते हैं। ऐसे करना सोते रात को 3 बज जाएगा sums करते करते। ए बहुत टाइम होगा अभी सो। सुबह उठ के और एक sum करते हैं। So it will attract you. It will attract you. So this is the way how you do. What APJ Abdul Kalam said, everybody should dream. Isn't it? Do you dream? Do you dream? पीछे में सपना देखता है ना नहीं? APJ Abdul Kalam said, he is no more. He left that. Everybody should dream. You should not dream a dream. That dream you see in your sleep. You should dream a dream. That dream never allow you to sleep. Such a beautiful thing. APJ Abdul Kalam, he told and implement it. ये सपना जो देखना है उसको सुने नहीं देते, बार बार जगाते रहता है। बिस्तर में गया, हाँ क्या करो, मेरा टारगेट, मेरा एम, मेरा एम्बिशन ये है, वो बनने के लिए क्या करना है, बार बार उठना पड़ेगा, वो ड्रीम देखना पड़ेगा, then only you will be successful. My best wishes to all of you, and organizer, I give congratulations. And today I am sponsoring the first, second and third prize for this event. So I kindly accept it. Now I want to announce, this is the first mega event, my education mega event. I believe next year also you will have the second edition. So next time, he came very late. All my money was finished that time he came. That's why only first, second, third prize I gave. So next year, this mega event, second mega education mega event, 50% of the expenditure I will spend. 50% you will arrange. But it should be in my constituency, not Dipu or Hauragan. If you organize here, 50% of the expenses I will bear from next year onward. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Speaker bisa siapa? Speaker.
Manjatro. Itu GNG itu department mau tengah coding deh. This groups microlifting and this one. Smart agriculture system. Here it is.
Sir, we are comfortable in Turkey.
Tell me.
This is a small agriculture system. Modern technique of agriculture or farming.
What is this?
This is cabbage.
Cabbage.
Yes.
Cauliflower or cabbage?
Cabbage.
It looks like cauliflower.
This is cabbage, sir.
Cabbage is what?
No, we forget to give color. We forget to give color.
It looks like cauliflower. Isn't it? Okay. And this one?
This.
Yes.
This is scarecrow. Scarecrow.
Scarecrow. No, what is this?
Here. Here is Wheat farming.
Wheat. No? Wheat is so big.
What?
Wheat is so big. Small one, no? This farming system is very good. In my village also, people are very good.
It's a drip system.
Good. So, you want to become farmer?
No, sir.
Why?
Because nowadays, farmer is not, what is it? No, sir, I didn't.
So, if you don't become farmer, who will feed us? Nobody will do farming, then we will die. Nobody will get to eat. So, we should encourage this farming. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. We are from Binong Higher Secondary School. It's our smart agriculture system.
Show me the circuit. Whole circuit. From where we go.
It's our vermicompost, cow shed, and it's a tank to conserve water. It's a farmhouse where we can stay during our period of cultivation. It's our drip irrigation. It's a terrace farming, and at the last, but not the least, it's our way.
Outside is there, where there is no.
How difficult the path may be. Life is full of ups and downs, but self-belief gives you the strength to rise up every time you fall. Because if you don't believe in yourself, who else will? Nobody, right? Great people like Mahatma Gandhi, APJ Abdul Kalam, and Mary Kom all started with faith in themselves. They faced failures, criticisms, and hardships, but they never gave up. Their belief became their strength. And also, many great people achieved success not because everything was in school manja of class 10. Today, I stand before you to speak on a topic that truly shapes the futures of our nation. Girl-child education, its importance and challenges. Education is the basic right of every child, whether a boy or a girl. Education is not just about learning from books. It is about empowering mind, building confidence, and creating opportunities. But for centuries, girls in many parts of our country were denied this right. They were told that education was only for boys, that their place was at home, not in school. Thankfully, things are changing, but even today, millions of girls around the world are unable to our guests, judges, organizers, teachers, and to all my dear friends. I am Christine Hedem from Little Flower High School Manja of class 9. Today I stand here before you all to deliver my speech on the topic, the power of kindness. Kindness is not just about giving gifts or saying nice words. It's about showing care, understanding, and respect to others even in small ways. A smile, a helping hand, or a few kind of words can make someone's day brighter. In our busy lives, we often underestimate how powerful kindness can be. One act of kindness can create a chain reaction that inspires others to do the same. It has the power to heal wounds, build friendships, and unite communities. When we choose kindness, we make the world a little softer and a lot stronger. Being kind also changes us. It fills our hearts with peace and joy, reminding us that we all belong to one human family. So let's spread kindness where.
And good afternoon to all. I am Sir Bahabe from Build-Up English High School, and today my topic is about CM of one day. As CM of one day, if I am a CM of one day, I will change the education system of the government school. As you may see, there are some of the teachers as there are no math teachers or other teachers. As I don't know what were the problem, but there are no more teachers or in the school. So the student do not like to go to school. As there are the roads which are not good as in the rainy season to walk. As at the this is the second one. There's a student were not like to go to school.
Ang selang lipan man kita dia popen culture fan chimi palo. Lasan nasi dance competition along. Putot kangkrung ang side donjia phan itu chuhai itu. Alang li ke maduta kali ilitum karbia lamar jan pe chop kali alang li Bollywood lamar jan lo sampai kecepatan tentang abang pulo. Alang li ke Bollywood actor lo akhai Bikram Teron. Alang li mas itu phan ke kan lo inside doniko. Ang selang lipan sampai man kita karbia popen culture ponji fan si chumi palo. He is the Bollywood actor among Karpi. Put your hands together. So he will be judging the competitions of dance competitions. Thank you so much, sir. So now, if the name lists are done, then I'll call the name of the school. So for these dance competitions, you will get only 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, the technique. Speech competition. Kasi speech competition, anong ikipangdak je pa na kaya iba pa naman piye pansi chuni pa na.
So prangsi ini kecepati labangso arijol kapaklang koi speech competition mate lam kani ke thek nai kumama pula bang ke charjun tuk thai kado beta atema nang tulosi pini labangso ajai megalong kumama se phasi yo nong se kita mutela ke muta lecture yang si manto lasi lala pini labangso arijol apaklang along pini itu noi tong du akihai Binong Teron akihai Assam Gaurav Award kilong bang la penthum pini labang surajai meglong tong du ni tu lambe damai assistant secretary on Teron akihai lasi nili paklang chei bang ke thak number ba paklang ko mama la thak kilong ni me chi ni mang tu paklang mo de Lake Dimika Chepatirpi Shady Hun English School Lake Thak number Indeng ki thong ma nong e lu lo la pen thu indeng hini ko ma lo ke lo ke lam ke ne atom pong pong lo ta tum long ba ki chitini rem rem ta long lo la bang ke Ingdeng hini anong kilong bang kena ke Krishna Rai July High School, High Secondary School. Alang ni si ingdeng hini kilong lo. Lapen kitek nai. Pini labang so English alam nai kewa krong katok kawe labang so pok pating hur nuk. Apang tu nomor 1 komanda cini mana tu? Pangdang nama? Mak komanda ka okle urhan tu lo bola. Ye nomor bang ba pia hai. Nomor 1 bang ke Saraswati Bepi. Lake Little Power High School. Little Power High School. Good evening, everyone. How are you? Are you excited for the result? Yes or no? Okay. I will be starting from third prize. Okay. So the third prize goes Miss Radhika Teron from Green Valleys High School. Alright, are you happy? Now, let's go to the second prize. Alright, are you ready? Okay, the second prize goes to Sorasa Inglengpi from Holy Faith Academy. Wow. Now, the first prize goes to Miss Rebianki Maitri from Little Flower School, Manja. Alright, these all are the results for essay writing competition. Thank you, everyone.
Science exhibition along kelong lake third prize ke thamana nong e kelong pon lake Cleared Up English Higher Secondary School. Then adun thu nong e kelong pon lake second prize science exhibition along abangke Borjan HDP High School. Alang donasi long pon lo lapen Kechengsi first prize science exhibition along best kemenai anong e labangke bong dinong kidna school bonla Little Flower High School. Aki la ketong Little Flower High School, KDP High School, Cleared Up English Higher Secondary School atau mana suri ahir jume pada jodoh niklo.